I miss you so much. My husband has gone out and that's why I called you so that we can have so much fun. Plus, I just sent the gate man out somewhere very, very far.
Wow, baby. That means we have the whole of the house to ourselves today.
Exactly. My husband will be gone for like 2 weeks, you know, so I don't think he'll be coming back anytime soon, baby.
Baby,
yes.
I want you to know that you are the most smartest girl I've ever met in my life.
Thank you.
And for that, I promise you that I'm going to handle you like I've never done before.
Oh my God, that's my husband's car home. Go, hide somewhere. Go inside, find somewhere. Find somewhere. Chike, where is my husband?
He's in the car. Just hold on.
Oh, okay. Honey, what is wrong with my husband?
Lucy, your husband got blind on his way to the airport.
Blind? What? How? What happened? Honey? Oh my God.
Easy. Just take it easy.
Oh God, honey, what happened to you?
I don't know. On my way to the airport, I noticed a ray of light flashed on my face.
Oh my God.
Before I could open my eyes again, everywhere became dark. Oh, till then, I've not seen anything.
Oh my God.
Anything good thing.
So you cannot see me like this?
No.
Oh God.
Let's take him to the house.
Okay, let's just go inside.
Who did I offend?
Sorry,
you'll be fine.
Oh God. Oh God. Sorry, baby. Sorry. You'll be okay. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It's this way. Oh. Sorry.
I don't know.
Oh, no. Sorry, honey. It's okay. I got you, baby. I got you. Sorry. Sorry, baby. Oh my God. Sorry. Hold on. Okay. Sorry. Easy. Okay, come now. Okay, you can see. Sit, baby. Sorry. Sorry.
So,
what kind of thing is this now, eh? Chike, why didn't you just take him to the hospital? You should have taken him to the hospital.
We've been there, and the doctor said there is nothing else to do about it. He is completely blind, but he'll be coming to the hospital for some medication.
My enemies at work.
Oh, my enemies have finally caught up with me. Eh? What kind of thing is this now?
Stop crying. At least I'm happy I have a wife. A caring wife that loves me so much. I'm happy that you're here. What could I have done?
I feel so bad. Eh? This kind of thing should not happen to you. Now you're a good man. Eh?
Don't worry, only God knows why. The most important thing here is that he's still alive. What if he had an accident and died? That would have been the worst of it. You know that?
God forbid. That is not my husband's portion. Ha! Here. Honey, you'll be fine. Sorry. Just a minute. I'll be back.
Listen, I heard everything, alright?
I don't even know what happened, but I don't care. Just start going.
Listen, God has answered our prayers, okay? I believe this is the time for us to do whatever we want, however we want it, and whenever we want it. He will never get to find out.
Yes, of course, but you have to go. His friend is around right now, and I don't know if he's going to spend the night here, so go.
Okay. Why don't I wait in the... What
Did you hear me say his friend is around? Go, John. Just follow the back.
You're smart.
Small.
You are smart.
Okay.
Madam, I don't shoot. Madam, I don't...
Why are you shouting? Oh. Why you always ras?
Madam, forgive me, madam. Madam, I don't buy her. See now.
Me?
Chai, I was fast now, madam. Madam. This one I know waste time.
Go inside. Go and get me my phone.
Madam, I'm coming now.
Fast.
Now, madam.
You're leaving?
Yes, I have to go home now. I'll come back later to come and check up on him.
Oh, but why so soon?
I have to go home now. I have something important to do. Please do take care of him.
I will. Thank you.
Okay. Take care.
Madam, I don't bring down. Madam.
Give me.
Yeah. Madam, you get another thing I go help you do. You know how they deliver, madam. Madam, you get with him. I won't ask you. Now me open a gate for God this morning. But I don't know the way they can't take carry and come back. I hope our guy is okay.
Your guy has gone blind.
Eh? I don't understand. Oga don't they see again. Madam, no vex. You know, say now my salary. Eh? As Oga don't blind now. Oh, madam, Oga don't blind. Oga na better person, no. Eh, but why Oga go come blind now?
My prayers have finally been answered. Now that you are blind, everything will go smoothly without any bumps. I am so happy.
Is anyone there? Honey?
Honey, I'm here. I'm here.
You're here?
Do you need anything?
Oh yes, please. Take me upstairs. I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Oh yes, you need to rest. Oh honey, this is very tragic for us. So.
It's okay. Stop crying, okay? I'll make sure I'll spend money for me to get my sight back. Okay? Don't worry, everything will be fine. Okay?
Honey, you better. It is paining me in my heart to see you like this. It's very painful.
It's okay. Just take me upstairs.
Come here, baby.
I'm strong.
Very strong now. Very strong. You hit your leg. Baby, I told you you hit your leg now. Sorry. Sorry.
Here is my family house. Mama!
Hey!
Mama!
Hey! See my son!
Mama!
See my son! Onyema! Don't, let me look at you.
Mama!
See my son!
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome, my dear. Thank you, Mama. You are welcome. Oh, thank you, Mama. You are welcome, my
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
Mama. Mama.
Hey, my son.
Onyema, your place is nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
No. Mama, I want to sit outside. Inside will be very hot.
You want to sit
Yes, I want to sit out.
Okay. No, Mama, let me carry it.
Don't worry. Babe, sit down, Mama.
Okay, Mama. Mama. Let me go inside. Hey, I need
Mama,
Hey, no.
more people.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
God bless.
Thank you, Mama.
Kizito! Kizito!
Yes, ma. Oh.
Go to the mall. The one nearby you.
Okay.
I know they send you go markets. Kizito, no be market I send you.
No, I don't go fuck off this time. You know me now.
Go there, get a bottle of wine. Be fast about it.
Madam, wait oh. You say a bottle of wine. One bottle.
Bucket of wine.
Madam, I dey call na. You go see me now.
Get out.
Mama, wine, abi? Mama, the mama. Mama, I'm coming now.
Hello, Antini. Oh yes. You can start coming now. Don't forget to come with her. All right. Okay. I'll call you back. My madam is here.
Madam,
Madam, good afternoon. Welcome, ma. How now?
I'm very sorry, ma. My mom was really sick, so I had to stay back yesterday.
Oh, really? And the 2 days is not enough for you to take care of your mother, Abi? Now you say if we give you 3 weeks, you go just fly to Paris, fly to Spain, go and enjoy yourself, and then you come back and employ me and my husband.
I'm very sorry, ma. It will never happen again, I swear. It will never happen again.
Yeah. I'm sure it will not. It cannot even happen again. Because I've already helped you. Your things are packed. So just go in there, take your bag and get out.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Please don't do this. I need this job. My mom is sick. Please, I need the money, please. Please.
Why are you doing like this now? Why are you doing like this? Means if I need a house girl that's available and you know money is hard to come by. Do you want me to be paying you when you're not doing any work? My friend, get out and go and pack the things and get out.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm not going again. Please, I'll not go again. I'll not take leave.
Slap me. I go forget. Like that they laugh at you too much. I said get up, get your things and get out of my house. Nonsense.
Hi. I'm so happy that you are here. Thank you. Do you know that for over 5 months now, your junior brother Bernard have not for once picked up his phone to call me his mother?
Mama, stop bothering yourself. You know your son. You gave birth to us. So you should know your son before now. Mama, notwithstanding, I am here with my beautiful baby to spend quality time with you before we go back.
Ezeku. Hey! Loneliness wanted to kill me before.
Mama, it's okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Go.
You see that loneliness? Mama, it's over. Don't worry yourself. We're here to stay.
Hey. I'm so happy.
Honey, Mama, I like this place. I just want to move around, backyard, see everywhere and feel at home.
Okay.
Honey?
Okay.
Hey! So this one.
Mama, you like good things.
This one is marriage material.
Mama, see, you should know your son. Mama, relax. You see this girl? Oh God. She will give us everything we are looking for in this family.
Bam!
So Putu.
Hey!
Putu.
Tim, I trust you. You like good things. Hey!
Mama! See,
Timo.
we are spending good and quality time with you. So, loneliness will also.
Thank God. I just pray that your brother and sister will do exactly the same thing that you have done. You like good things. I trust you.
Mama,
hey!
You gave birth to us, so you should know your sons and your daughter by now. Listen, Mama, they will on their own time and at the right time. So this is my time.
You like good things. You selected this one.
Mama, no, you know my I like
trust you. Hey, where are you?
Figure 8.
It feels so good. Isn't it good to be here? No more going back to the city. Marriage done set.
I knew it. Why? Eh? No, Rita, tell me why. What is wrong with you? Why will you be doing this time?
What they do you now? How they do you now? You know, say I need this thing. What's in they worry you? I mean, free me now. What do they do you?
Rita, not here and not now. Not now. What if Mama works hard to see you doing this? What will be the outcome? What will be the outcome?
You want make I go inside go do am? If I go do am inside, it no go worse. I mean, free me now. Where Mama dey now?
She's out there. Listen, Rita. Adebi Mama saw you on this mood, smoking this Indian hemp, my dear. No, just tell me what would have been the outcome. What do you think Mama will think of you, Rita? Stop it. Listen, there's a lot of bushes around this village, which I am going to take you around later. You can go there and do this, not in this house. Give me. Mama is here. You know Mama is around here smoking.
Kiss him now. Kiss him. Just kiss him. Kiss him.
You want me to try?
Ma, please, don't do this to me. My mom is sick. I need this job. I don't have anywhere to get money for. Please, I'm begging you, please.
You see this life, you'll be doing good and people will just misunderstand you. What I am trying to do is for your own good. I want you to have enough time so that you can take care of your sick mother. Not that when something happens now, you say, your mother is dead because of me. I beg go, I don't get money for burial, I'm broke.
Okay, ma, please. Let me just have my salary, please.
Which salary? Which one? The one you worked for, the one you did not work? No, tell me so I can know what I am paying. Which one?
Let me just stay to the end of the month. And after which I will go, please. I'm begging you.
Okay, you're wasting my time. You are wasting my time and time is precious. If you do not leave here right now, I will call the police and you will rot in jail. Sure, you know say that they forget poor people for jail. They could not forget you there. Hold on, let me just call him. Let's see this.
Oh, please, I'm begging you.
This man's number is not connected. Oh yeah, you need help? Should I help you? Oh yeah, let me help you go your back. Alele, wear your slippers. Oh, you don't want your slippers anymore. Oh yeah, Alele. Are you mad? Okay. Get out. Get out. It's like I think I'm playing.
Oh God.
Mama, this place is so dirty. Go and bring broom. Mama, I want to keep everywhere clean. I want to keep it
Mama,
clean.
she
I want
was
to keep
planning
it
on
tidy.
how to sweep this place. This place is really dirty.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
You see why I say I wanted somebody to be with me here? See it now? Don't worry, my dear. Come, later you sweep it. Let's go so that you can rest.
Let me do it now. Mama can do everywhere. Go do
You know, if she doesn't do this, she will fall sick.
Exactly.
So let her just do her things, okay? Let me go and get the broom.
Bless you. God bless you. Hey, you're a nice person. God bless you.
Okay.
Mama.
Okay, Mama.
Let me go.
Okay, let me go.
Mama, go. Huh?
Let me go.
Go and sweep it.
Let me go inside and prepare food for you.
No problem, Mama.
No?
No problem, Mama.
Okay, wetin happen? Why you dey cry now? Why you be like person wey dey collect your husband? Wetin happen?
Is it not, madam? And she don't pursue me, but she don't sack me now. I don't enter yawa like this.
Madam don sack you. Why now? You wey no dey since you come today, they come knack you sack. Wetin you do? What happened though? Because these two somehow.
Yesterday when I supposed come back, I no come. My mommy was very sick. How we call leave my mommy come back here now?
If I understand you, na because say you no come back yesterday when you suppose come back.
Yesterday?
Yeah, you should have come back that yesterday now. You know say you too waka. You sure say na your mama dey sick. Now wow. Well, why madam go come sack you now? Where oga don blind?
Chill.
You hear? You too like am ebo. Oga don blind. It still dey somehow. This morning no. This morning.
Who blind? Na oga Abina.
Na your papa na him blind. I dey tell you say oga blind. This morning you left the house to the airport. This morning. And you don't even reach how many minutes oga Chike carry am come back say oga don blind on his way to the airport. It dey somehow. Because I cannot be doing the house chores in the house. The house chores I cannot be doing it. Madam.
Why madam go sack me now? Now we be say oga need help. Why?
You be like so this thing how they talk yourself, you know they hear am. I tell you say I no sabi mop. I no know how to hold mop. Why madam go sack you? They ask me why madam go sack you. Now when you need you, make nobody come here see my work here. You don't understand? You know, oga is blind. Oga pugi isieke. Oga pugi isieke. This morning.
You get what I dey reason? Be like say madam don get another person.
Na wetin e be o?
God
abeg. Because I no understand why you go sack you now when we say oga don blind. Now oga pugi isieke.
Job o. I need the money.
Make this thing no go affect me. I don't know where you from. They come that yesterday first. You know, only you know where you go. Only you know where you go, Ogechi. Why madam call all this gate? Come on, see, me and you know they do that kind. See, madam don't log it too. Don't be me this. Now you go carry your bag come up for here. Madam. Don't they talk to me? Don't talk to me. Madam, I dey get to.
What are you doing there?
Madam, now, okay. Madam. Oh. But, okay, you have to be going.
Is that Oge's voice I am hearing?
Madam, no, okay. I dey since I dey tell Oge, go, Oge, no gree go.
Madam,
no,
please, I'm begging you. I don't even know where to start from here, please.
You are still here, Oge. It be like say Kirikiri dey hungry you, abi?
Okay, they go.
Shut up!
Sorry, ma.
Don't worry, let me call the police. If they come and meet you here, trust me, straight to Kirikiri, direct transfer. You're very mad. Lock this gate for me.
Okay.
You lock that gate while you wait for my flight.
Okay.
Madam, please.
Okay. Leave here.
Please get now.
Carry your bad luck. Madam, no man.
When I'm talking, you keep quiet.
Sorry, ma.
Now go and keep that wine in the fridge. In the kitchen fridge.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Mama?
Food is ready. Oh, Mama. Food is ready. You need to come out. Yeah? What's smelling?
Chimo. Mama. Mama, your food.
You're right.
Mama, your food, the aroma. Jesus, Mama, you can cook. Oh. See the aroma of this food.
Honey, you've not seen anything.
Can you perceive it?
Perceive it, see. If Mama settle down and cook for you, this woman that you're seeing. In fact, if you taste her food, you will confess. Mama, when they cook area, they scatter. Mama, tell her about it.
Can perceive it.
Let's go eat. But this one, the way you are sipping, your hand is here. Your hand is here. One hand. What's happening? Is that the new way of sipping?
No, Mama, you know when you are sweeping, the waist will be empty, so you have to use this hand.
It's been a while I sweep, but my waist is bending
Use
me.
one to hold the waist. Oh yeah. Drop the broom. Now come inside.
Okay.
Drop the broom and come inside. Now.
Okay. Okay, Mama. Yeah, ma. Take the broom. Mama, go, we're coming. Then, come. Oh yeah, ma, where are you now?
I'm coming. Mama!
Oh, God's wife.
I'm so happy.
Oh, God's wife. Hey. Look at you.
Welcome.
You look good.
Thank you.
Hey, you're enjoying, though.
DJ Alpha now.
I did.
To do now.
Now really your girl wife, you enjoy.
Of course,
Now enjoyment starts. I never see anything.
I mean, I can't remember the last time I came into this house. It's been a long time. Let's go inside. Hey, chopping money.
EJ. He's giving milk factory.
Look at the way you're shining. You're eating money, oh. Oh, Gene. Money is talking. Like money is talking. Hey!
Mama, we come now.
Denard.
Mama Bernard.
Mama, you're welcome.
Yes.
Hey, look at you.
Yes.
Hey.
Honey, come. Come and meet my mother.
Good afternoon, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, Mama. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
This is my wife to be.
This one, you and your brother are coming to meet me with your wife. So I hope I'm safe.
My brother. Is he in town?
Onyema!
You are safe.
Come and see your mother.
This is you.
Onyema lipstick.
Onyema lipstick. Are you in town? Yes. This is my wife to be. Meet my other brother.
Good afternoon, sir.
Well, she's too fine.
Yes. Where is your wife?
Honey, come with your wife.
Yes, now.
Baby.
Wife everywhere. And I want to be.
What? Bernard, welcome.
Baby, what is what? What is what?
Bernard, I need to leave this place right now.
Now get him busy.
Take me out of here right now. Take me out of here right now.
What are they doing? What? Check off. What is it? Baby!
Yeah, hey, come here. Just wait, where are you going? What? Oh, you come outside. You people should come and tell me what's going on.
Organism?
Yeah?
Take me out of here, Bernard.
I'm not getting me. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, ma.
Mama.
Eh?
Check off.
Lucy, Auntie, I love this new development. This is the right time for us to start our plans.
Auntie, there is no time. There is no time at all. At least Ijoma is here now. She's ready to start the house girl work. So what else? What are we doing?
Me, I'm ready to go. Where's my room?
Calm down. Calm down, Tess. I will show you to your room. Hey, Auntie, there's something I wanted to...
Yeah.
What is it? Where are you going to now?
I'm calling you from the bedroom, but you're not answering.
Oh, sorry. Do you need something?
Yes, I'm very hungry. I need to eat. Very, very hungry, please.
I'm okay, honey. Just, you know what? Let's go back to your room. I'll prepare something for you to eat, okay?
Oh, I can't stay at the dining. I just need to eat something right now.
Oh, no problem. Let's go back to your room. Let's just go, okay? Okay. Let's go.
Are you alone?
Yes, honey. It's just me. Let's go to your room. This way, honey.
Sister, what was that for? And that guy is very cute though. What did he do?
He is. And he's very wicked and evil. I feel like choking him. Stupid boy.
Is it that bad? What did he do for you to hate him that much?
Huh? Ijoma, when the time comes, I'll tell you everything. Now remember, you're here on a mission. Your plan is to act as if you're a maid to avoid people asking questions. But now that you're already admiring and saying he's cute, you have to take your time. Be very careful. That's not why you're here.
I'm sorry. I was just stating the obvious.
Why should you admire him? I'll try him again.
Sorry.
Good. Better. She'll come and take you to your room.
Bernard, for the very last time, give me my car key. I want to leave this place this minute.
Calm down now. Eh? You cannot just live like that now. Check him now. What is the problem? Tell us. Talk to us.
Ne, I am like a mother to you. If anything is hurting you, tell me. Oh, please talk to us. What is the problem?
Mama, I'm so sorry for everything. But Mama, as long as that evil lady in there is here as a wife, I cannot stay in this house. I mean, I can't share a family with her.
Mama, evil lady. Mama, go and talk to your son Onyema. Let him talk to his wife.
That's what he's doing. He's talking to her inside.
Evil lady, the one evil lady. Let us know whether we are going to use something to pursue her now. Eh? Eh? Mokamoni of evil lady, Mama. Act fast as a mother.
Let me have Bernard.
Go.
I will come back and meet you.
Mama, she will not go and have the car key now.
Let me have my car key. Bernard.
Butu. Babe, don't do this. Can you talk to me?
Guys, stop her. I said stop her. Wait till be this one now. I beg, allow me to leave.
I want to leave. Please. I want to leave because I cannot be under the same roof with that lady. I would not. That criminal, or my meh.
Rita, you're just getting me confused. What is the problem? What has that girl done to you that you want to leave or she leaves? Huh? Talk to me because I am the head of this house, the first son of this family. I am your husband to be. So talk to me. I should know what is your problem. Why lying to me.
Go to go. That's enough. Tell your brother to take that girl back to where he got her from. Else I will leave. Onyema, I will leave. I will leave.
And you know that's not possible. You're not leaving this house for any reason. What is it? It's very simple. Talk to me. Tell me what the problem is. Then I will know how to handle it. No, you just want to shout and keep shouting.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah. My dear. What is it?
Mama, she said she wants to leave. She said she wants to leave. Oh God.
Bernard's girl says she wants to leave. You want to leave. What is the problem? Have you met yourself somewhere before? Talk to us so that we understand what is going on.
Mama, I am sorry, but I have to leave if she will not leave. Yeah. Because I would not. In fact, I cannot be under the same roof with that girl. I would not. Oh, mama.
Is it?
Oh God. I'm just confused. Listen, Mama. You have to talk to your son, Bernard. Talk to your son because let me go and see him. Because I don't really understand this. Bernard! Bernard!
Yeah? Calm down.
Baby, calm down. This is my house. Nobody will send you out from here. Eh? Instead of you to leave this place, she will leave.
Let her leave.
She's packing.
Let her leave.
She's packing.
Well, I will leave. Bernard, I will leave. I cannot and I will never be married to this family when she's there. We can't share the same. Let her leave.
Don't worry. Let me... Bernard. And I'll talk to you. Okay. What did she tell you? She didn't say anything. What do we do? Oh, wow. My woman says she wants to leave. Eh? She's even inside there with Mama. It's better. It's better. Come on, see, this thing. I don't know what we're going to do. See, come on, I'm going to do. You see what will happen. Let's keep talking to them while we find out what to do. We'll look for what to do. Okay. We'll keep talking to them. You understand? Calming them down. Okay. You know that my woman, she took the verse. If you carry this motor, stone anybody. I mean it. That girl, her anger is... No. She can't throw this motor. She will buy her own and throw. Not my own masker. Do you understand? My own woman, she verse here, she can stab you. She can stab you and make it. If you can carry your woman now, throw her away. So do fast, because I don't want. I'm just standing her and let her not get angry. If she get angry now, even you now as a man will run out of your house. Yes, because she has big car and all this thing. She is rich. Okay. And I'm going to do now. Let you want what supposed to be what I'm going to do. Let your mother. No. I am really sorry. I don't know what might have conspired between you and my wife to be. But whatever it is, I beg you in the name of God. You two just calm down. I am sorry on behalf of her. I'm sorry.
I don't have any problem with you. And I'm so sorry the way I'm reacting. I'm sorry.
Please, just calm down. Let me join my woman. Sorry. Bernard, talk to her. We'll talk later.
Oh no, you're back. What the person when you're back? Let her back and leave.
She needs to leave.
Oh no, come on, for that one. Honest good. By now she's back and that's why she's gone outside. You better get good for you. Please. For what? When you came with the car, not say any other car. No. Can't you say that it's only your car that's here?
No.
Only car owner this compound will live like that. I don't know possible now. Instead there'll be war.
Hey, what kept you so long? I'm so sorry. You know I had to feed him, like literally spoon feed him. He's not my body. I don't have a choice. I'm sorry.
Well, that's okay. I mean, it's gonna stop now.
We have Ijoma here to take over the duty of the maid. So you're going to have time to rest now. So Ijoma, over to you.
Hey, Ijoma is here now, so everything will go smoothly. Ijoma, your room is upstairs, the second room by the right.
Okay, let me go then.
Ijoma, before you go, you know say I know you well.
I don't understand.
No try nonsense, oh. You know say you dey misbehave well. No try me, oh, I go kill you. I fit buy you, oh. If you spoil things for me, I go go and say you my cousin. I go waste you. No try me.
Sister, you no reach to die. I no go spoil anything.
Better, no try am.
Try and be working.
I fit kill you.
God abeg go.
I fit go. This one wey you dey do your body wan come in go inside.
God abeg go.
You get wetin for that room? Where's my room? Go and don't misbehave.
I won't.
Auntie Coco, calm down.
No, make no spoil things for me, oh.
No, she will not. She will not.
I don't understand this. I don't understand this at all. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is going on. I'm so happy that two of you brought your wives to me today. Then look at what is happening. I want the two of you to put your heads together. Let us find a solution to do this one.
Mama, your enemies are not at work. Let us find out from them what the problem is. Let's calm down and ask them. We'll continue asking them until they talk.
Yes. But Mama, meanwhile, I am the first son of this family. Your first fruit. You understand? It would be a big taboo, a very big shame for my own woman to leave this house for Benard's woman. It's not going to happen. Over my dead body, Mama. Why?
So what are you trying to say?
What are you saying? You're not making sense at all. A woman that I've not known? Haba.
Mama, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying here is that this girl has not entered into the house and she's causing all these problems. Let Bernard go and rent a hotel for his girlfriend. Yeah. Yes. See, so that we can sort this whole issue. Then when we are done settling this issue, he can bring her back.
Don't insult yourself. Don't insult yourself. What are you talking about?
Mama, you see yourself.
Oh, yeah, ma. You want him to go and rent a hotel for you? Okay, fine, no problem. I will go and meet her there.
Mama, what I say? Do you know that my wife is from a rich home? Yes, yes, now. Mama, she have come to make this family happy. To bring her wealth to us. And Onyema wants her to go. Mama, they go to Kaki. Did Onyema come with the car? No. I know that they did not come with car because I did not see car outside. What did she? Mama, do you know what she bought for you? What my wife bought for you, brekete inside that boot. You have not even seen them. And Onyema wants her to go with the things she bought for you. A woman that come to make the family happy, make us great. She want a rich girl from a rich home. Mama, if I lose that girl, I have lost it too. And this family have lost something great. Don't let it happen.
Never.
Mama, don't let it happen.
Never.
Take money. Take somebody that care with the money. Mama, listen. See what we are going to do. Onyema's wife, she's here already.
Yes.
And she has introduced herself. You already know her. Then she can go. Now she have introduced herself. Let her go to Onyema, no hotel now. Look for chalet because I know they don't have money. Choria chalet, let her stay there or possibly go to a new shop. Hang out. Your boy is let them go outside and hang around. Mama. By the time my wife and I we are done staying with you and make you happy, they cannot come back and sweep compound for you or do anything.
Mama, Mama, do you see that this your stupid son is not making sense? You see your son Bernard is very bad. Bernard, don't get me angry. If you see the other side of me, you will not like it. Who is poor?
You want Mama to die of hunger here?
Don't spit on my head.
No, don't try
Don't
it.
spit on my head.
Mama, talk to your son. Talk to your son.
You will enjoy.
You should not enjoy it.
Can somebody be angry without money?
Calm down.
Do you have money?
I have money.
Mama, they are telling you they want to give you what they bought for you. Did I not buy you a bag when I came? Did I not buy you a bag? I bought a bag while I was coming.
So Mama, you not is that what you're proposing to Mama? For Mama to eat Okpa and Okpa to stock her anus. So Mama will go to hospital. Is that what you're praying for your mother Okpa?
Mama,
Mama, tell Onyema to take her wife, his wife.
Exactly.
There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Have I not being angry?
In fact, I'm surprised.
You are not done to have to surprise.
Talk to this your son. Because if I lose it,
you cannot lose
it. If I lose it now, Mama,
you cannot
lose it. I will hit him.
No,
my anger.
That's how you lost your money.
Mama,
That's how you lost your money.
Just keep enjoying this
Mama,
stupid boy. He's just ranting because.
Let poor people.
Do you have money?
Let poor people breathe, Mama. Let poor people breathe. Let poor people breathe. Come, let me go and give you what my wife bought for you.
Okay.
Let's go. Come, let us give you what we bought for you. Come, let's have Mama, come. Tell your wife to back.
So you've come here to meet me after so many years, right?
Rita, you're mad. You see, I will never share this roof with you. I bet you have to leave.
I can see you've not changed. Not at all. But don't forget something. Don't forget that my husband-to-be is the head of this house. First son. Now let's see who lives here first. Rita, see, you have to leave. You don't have to stay. You know why? Because if I should expose you, you know what that means? They will chase you out like a child. So save yourself some shame and live peacefully. Okay? Rose? Rita? We shall see.
Bad friends, bad wife, bad company.
Please keep to the agreement.
Of course.
And I'm already making plans for the agent.
You don't have any problem. Trust me, you do not have a problem at all. Okay? I will use this time and properly search for the documents. You know, now that he's blind, everything will be easier.
Of course. Thank you so much. And you know, very soon the sister will start making troubles. So, but Ichoma is already here, so she will help you make things easy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Drive safe.
Thank you, and I will see you soon.
All right.
Thank you. I'll see you again soon. I'll see you again.
Bye. Bad friends, bad wife, bad company, bad friends.
Wow, this guy is cute and rich. What exactly did he do to my cousin sister and Lucy? Why are they making these plans against him? Chai, and this is my speckle. Where is this room?
Is there anyone there? Is there anyone?
Sorry, sir. I'm your new maid. Good evening.
New maid? Where is my wife?
She's upstairs. I actually came to check if you needed anything.
Oh, no, I don't need anything. I just need to see my wife.
She's upstairs.
No, I just need to see my wife.
I will not leave this house without getting you in bed. What a cute man.
My wife is upstairs.
She's upstairs.
Honey. Honey.
Madam, what did happen now? This is what you just did. They rub on yourself as in self-love things.
Naturally self-love, but I didn't miss my boyfriend, but that's not important. I actually went upstairs to check on Fred because I heard him shouting. So I didn't know what was happening, so I said, let me go and check.
But why did you not call me first?
I didn't know where you were. I didn't see you. So I thought you were outside or upstairs. He even asked and I told him you were upstairs because I wasn't sure where you really were.
Okay.
That was why I meant to check.
Okay, so what does he want?
He said he does not need anything. For me, I don't know why he was shouting.
Omo, Ijoma, we have to figure out how this is going to work. We have to just plan it.
And that is not a problem now. We'll sit down somewhere and plan it. Because he's blind, he's not deaf. You understand? So we'll just look for...
This thing is doing to him because he cannot see you. Make you
I do not understand what to call this one. I am so sad. Very unhappy. I must let you know that for a very long time, these two boys have not visited me for a very long time. Only for them to visit me with two beautiful ladies coming to meet me as their wives. The two of you say you don't want to see yourselves. This one said this should go, this should go. What is it? What must have happened before that you people cannot settle? We are all in this world. There are certain things we do. We can forgive each other. If you offend this one, you offend this one, you forgive each other. Let us move on. Please. I cannot bear this. I cannot. I want the two of you to settle and then let us live together as one big family. Okay, Bernard.
Mama, your enemies are not at work. I have told you before. But I don't like talking too much. My wife don't like talking too much. We talk and do. We do things. We make things happen. Hold on. Show Mama something. Show Mama something. Show Mama something. Show Mama something. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Did can you put it? Did can you put it? Come on, hold on. I'm coming. Hey, whoa. Here. Hey! All this one for me.
Yes. Hey! Mama. Listen, Mama. This is just the beginning. You see, there is more to where this came from. I have good plans for this family. If not that some evil people wants to spoil that plans.
Thank you very much, Mama.
It's okay, Mama. Just manage it.
Thank you. Manage quoi?
Just
manage this one. Manage. Hey! Chim. You see? I told you. Huh? It's not about buying up for you. You did what? You shot back. Oh.
Evil people want me to change my mind.
You can't change your mind. Somebody bought up back. You brought a wife for your mother. You bought up on top. You can't no wine. Huh? Where's Obi? Where's Obi wife? No, it cannot happen here. Show mama something, okay? Okay, mama reach up offer chair mama ike. Achaba hospital mama neje. Oh, mama mo. Mama, are you deciding now who is going on? Oh, thank you. You see what I'm saying? Have you seen it?
Blah. How?
Hello? How far now? I beg, come back to my shop now. I just came back from the bank now. Yes, there's no money and my customers are waiting. Please be fast. Yes, the one at Obanam Road by Apple Junction. The one at Apple Junction, just come, you see me by the road.
Dikeh, right?
Yes, Coco. Don't you know me again?
Of course I do.
So why do you ask as if you don't know me?
I asked because it's been a long time. And moreover, I see your type every day of my life, so. By the way, I heard your friend has gone blind. How true is that?
Yes, why do you ask?
For real? Oh, oh my God! You mean Karma has finally caught up with Fred? Oh my God! That's so beautiful! And as for you, Dikeh, you're very lucky you didn't go blind as well.
How do you mean? Wait, do I have any problem with you? And why will you wish me blind? For Christ's sake, I don't understand.
Oh my goodness! Like seriously? Do you have problem with your brain? Have you forgotten so soon? Were you not the one clapping for him? You were supporting him to dump me, right?
Hold on. I want to ask you. Do you have a hand in his blindness?
I really wish I do. Because nothing will give me joy than to see him in that state that he is right now. I really wish I did.
Wow.
You know what? You, Dikeh, your own is on the way. You're not going to go blind, no! You're going to go deaf and dumb. Hey, baby! Yes!
Wow, really?
People boy, excuse me.
Me go blind? Are you okay? Look at this one. I don't understand. Look at it. Imagine. Thunder fire you there. It's you that will go blind. It's you that will go blind. Thunder fire you. Look at you. You're wishing me blind. You were a suspect. Stand. Me.
I'm happy now. Very, very happy. But at the same time, I'm still sad. Yes. Because I want the two of you to say something. I want you people to allow peace to reign. What is it? What is it that cannot be settled? I want you to tell us exactly what has happened between the two of you. Rose, my angel.
Yes, Mama.
Biko, tell us what is it?
Mama, let her talk.
Nemo, talk to us.
Mama, thank you very much. But let her tell you people.
What do you mean she should tell? Can't you talk? Mama asked you to talk.
Shut up.
Tell her to talk.
Bella, shut up. She is not talking to you. She's only talking to Mama.
She's not respecting Mama.
keep quiet and let her talk.
What do I can hear? What do I can hear? You may be in here.
Mama, listen. It's high time you tell this man here and that woman sitting beside you that this place, in fact, I am the head of this house, the first son, Ogufulunwa, that, in fact, this is my inheritance. They should know it. Mama, they should know.
Oyema, it's enough. Head of the house, head of the house. What is it? Okay, settle the issue. Settle what is on the ground now. As the head of this house, you settle it. What is it? Eh?
Bernard, I've told you. See, I don't want to cause issue between you and your family. Please, I've told you, if this lady here stays, then let me leave peacefully. Let me go. You see, I cannot stay under the same roof with a woman that can kill me at night. No, at least I've given Mama what I bought for her. Let me just go peacefully.
See, you're very mad. You're mad. You're mad.
Mama, let her go.
She's not going anywhere. Don't insult my wife. Don't insult my wife. Don't insult my wife.
I will lose it.
Lose it.
Mama, when I lose it,
if you want to lose the ship,
lose.
Mama, you lose the ship for the car.
Everything will lose in this.
Don't lose the car. Don't lose the car.
See, because she bought you things, and this man here, he brought this woman to this house because she bought you little things. So she will not respect the first son, the heir to the throne of this house.
What did you buy for Mama?
So my own inheritance.
Inheritance? Can you maintain the inheritance?
On my chair, my inheritance.
Which inheritance?
Mama,
let her go. Mama, did she buy anything for you?
Honey,
I should
let
her
me go.
You are not going anywhere. For this. You are not going anywhere.
They should leave this house.
No. The two of them, none of them is good. You are not going anywhere.
Did she buy anything for you, Papa? She goes
I'm not
nowhere.
going anywhere. Mama, leave somebody and not buying anything.
Bernard, my woman is not going anywhere.
She's packing.
Baby,
She's not going anywhere.
I do not want trouble. Allow me to leave.
Baby, you're not going anywhere.
Allow her to leave.
This is
She wants to leave.
When Mama dies now,
I'm not dying. Mama is not dying. Can you maintain this house?
You want to kill me?
Can you maintain this house? You bought Mama for Mama. Go and pack. Give me a bag.
Back to where?
Let her pack, Mama. She did not buy anything for you.
We can even drop them.
Yes, you can drop them by junction. Let's drop them by the junction.
I have boss in the city.
You have boss. Boss.
Does it have AC?
Mama.
Does it have AC?
Your son is driving boss. Hey!
Yes, baby. I'm not sure, honestly. I'll call you when I get there, okay? Alright, see you soon. Bye. Ijoma.
Yes. Are you going on? Yes.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not sure I'll be coming back tonight. But I'll try.
Don't stress yourself. Why are you stressing? I am here for you. If you come back, if you don't come back, I did. Just let me know.
Thank you.
Just let me know.
Thank you.
Don't worry yourself. Have fun.
Please take care of the house. And I beg, give that mugu food. Before hungry go kill him. I'll see you later.
Thank you. What's the hot?
Chike,
You're here. Again.
How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How's your husband?
He's fine. He's sleeping.
Okay, fine. Please, where is Oge? Call her to give me water to drink.
Ijoma, can you please give him some water?
Who is she?
She's a new maid. Oge resigned.
Really? Okay. Sorry, is it not late to girls?
Well, it's none of your business. Anyway, I have something really important to attend to. Okay? Your friend is in his room. You can go and see him. Take care. I'll see you.
Lucy. Is well.
Here's what. Here's what.
What's your name?
My name is Ijoma, sir.
Ijoma. How long have you been working here?
I started today. Is there a problem, sir?
No, there's no problem. So, where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State, sir.
Anambra State. Okay, it's okay, no problem. You may keep the water. I'll go to the room and meet my friend, Fred. Okay?
Are you sure there's no problem, sir?
There's no problem.
Who be this one? Why they ask me question up and down? Why they look?
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you. I saw the girl. Don't think she's a maid.
I saw her too when I went downstairs.
You did?
Yeah. She was just fooling herself, doing all nonsense. She doesn't know I was seeing all she was doing. She was just misbehaving, doing all bullshit. Now I know Coco really wants to kill me. I'm getting my documents set because I know this will be their next target.
What?
Yes, I'll overhead them.
Guy, who could arrest these people? Let's arrest them.
No. Things are not done like that. Sometimes you allow people, fool themselves. Okay. It's a good thing. Let's just play along with them. When the time comes, we'll arrest them. Can't you see I'm working from home now? I'm just giving them time to keep misbehaving. We are smarter, bro.
But why is Coco doing this?
I don't know. She definitely regrets it. One thing is for sure. I don't even know the reason she sacked the girl that's been working for us before we got married. I don't know what she tend to achieve with that.
I think she sacked her in order not to spoil their plans. Lucy is very wicked.
Obviously, that one's punishment is on. What would befall her, she'll wonder. Just people are so ungrateful. Yeah. People are so ungrateful. No problems. No, nothing spoiled. Nothing spoiled. Coco is the one directing her to be doing all of this. But it's fine. Wait, get me something to drink, please.
Okay. I'm coming.
Okay. Do you need anything?
Don't worry. I know my way around this house.
I know, Oga. I'm the maid here. If you need something, you tell me. I'll look for it for you. Because I don't want Madam to be angry with me, please.
Tell her I said I don't need your help, okay? I started coming to this house before she was married. Please allow me.
God, Ameko. What make this one the para? What the verse for? But why is he even angry with Lucy? What did she do? That one no still concern me. My own to do house care. Give me my money. I go. Who the verse for who not concern me because the problem for me.
Since the both of you refuse to tell us what happened, just let it be for now. Just let it be, I beg you.
No, I'm respecting you. I'm respecting you. As the head of the family, that's why I'm respecting you. Let it not be that I do not respect you. They can stay for today, but tomorrow you have to send them going.
Again?
Again! Again! I have to tell that girl that I'm getting married to the head of the family. Yes, so listen, tell your mother, tell your brother, convince them to take that girl back to where they got her from. Else there'll be no peace. There will be no peace.
Rita, stop. Rita, I said stop. Peace will reign in this house. Listen, we just got back from the city. And we are going to be staying here for at least a little time, which I don't know. So just calm down. Soon as they will leave, they will go back to the city. Then you will not see anybody to argue or fight with.
Oh, yeah.
Just calm down. Calm down. Always listen to me when I'm talking.
What do you go call God? I've finished telling you. I have told you my own. Honestly, you know me. If I vex, you no go feel hold me. And I go break your head if you try.
Rita, calm down. Calm down. I said calm down.
Oh God. Thank you, my daughter. I'm so happy that you have decided to stay back. Thank you so much.
Mama, I'm just doing this because of you. First thing tomorrow, I'm leaving. I
I can't stay under the same roof with this girl. No. I can't.
Baby, don't worry. She will leave. Mama, she will leave. Oh. She must leave.
Nad, it's enough. It's enough, Biko. Why are you saying she should go? Forget that thing now. Forget it. We have settled the whole issue. So why are you still stressing it? Biko name. Please, I beg you. Be a woman. Let us discuss yourself and your family.
Mama, it's okay. I'm here now. So
Okay.
I'll tell you everything you need to know about my family. It's okay.
She will leave. Oh. Mama, Rose is going to give you the daughter-in-law vibes you want. At least sometimes you enter car, she will put AC for you. It's not the people that will come here, they will buy you up. Your face will be shrinking. They are going to leave. Oh. She will leave. I'll slap her still.
It's okay, Mama.
My God will bless you. Oh.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
She must leave. It's not like you can just carry anybody that you see anywhere. They will come here and buy number for you. Huh?
You have started.
No, my brother was started. That girl should go.
My daughter.
How go well.
Thank you. Thank you. Baby, that was so hot.
Yeah.
So, what is the next step to be taken now?
Well, the plan is for us to get the house documents.
Okay.
Sell the house, split the money amongst ourselves, and then you and I will take our share and travel. We'll just travel around the world.
Wow, baby, that is very smart. I really can't wait, alright?
Yeah.
And talking about Coco, I hope she's not going to dribble us on this.
Hey, dribble. Listen, if she's a dribbler, me, I am the coach. Ha! Dribble care. Look, I do not want to tell anybody this, so.
Okay.
But I am telling you because I love you.
Wow, okay.
So what I plan to do is, once I get the documents,
okay,
I will sell the house without her knowing.
Wow. That is so smart of you, baby.
Yes.
And talking about Coco, she's very fast and also corny. Oh yeah. She brought in her cousin sister just for her to take a share from this business. And I don't want that.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I have plans.
Are you sure about this?
I have my own plans. Don't worry about it. I think it's getting late. I need to go home.
Come on, babe. I thought we agreed that your partner and I is here with me today.
You say waiting. Pass the night, Ken.
No.
Ichoma is in my house now. I cannot leave her in my house like that. I don't trust her. I have to go, please.
Babe, come on now, please. Okay, fine. I know you have to go. But at least I know you need one for the road.
One for the road? You won't finish the water within my body. I beg, not even touch me. Henry, please, I need to go. I beg, before I leave, can you get me water to drink? Please, I need to drink water. I'm thirsty.
Okay, baby.
What do you mean by that? Since morning I never chop you. They tell me to make I keep quiet. If you don't want
to keep quiet, you carry megaphone go express now. I don't understand. Now when I give you food, now you go chop. You want big food. Now you employ me. Now you carry me come here. Huh?
See, leave all this one where you do. If I use the kind of hunger where they my body enter, you no go like me. You no go like me. Okay, if when okay they this house, okay they give me food anytime, anything.
Go carry oge for she.
You don't reach your turn now. They tell me say make I wait. Madam come back, you go give me food.
I beg you. First of all, why you feel say if you even talk to me like this? Me and you resemble. Me and you did the same class for anywhere. You just have a local maid like you. Where you the chef for me? I cook for you. I be your chef.
I just they keep you quiet. You wait till you talk now. You funny, but I no feel like I dey hungry. See you, they call yourself classy babe. Classy babe now you can't do chef. You can't do maid. No be even chef na maid.
What is going on? Come collect food now.
What's going on? See Oga Chike, since morning I never eat, I never chop. She dey tell me say na when madam come back she go come give me food. Who does that?
So when I cook, you go chop.
Wait, you mean you've not eaten since morning?
Since morning, Oga Dikeh, I've not eaten.
Well, Kizito, you have to understand that with your Oga's health condition now, everything has changed. Eh? Just calm down, okay? Just hold on, wait. Let me give you money. Take this money, eh? Use it and buy anything you want. Buy and eat, okay? Well, but as for the classy housemaid, continue with what you're doing.
Thank you, sir.
Continue.
Okay, sir.
Come on, housemaid.
Kizito, please give me your number. There's something I would like you to do for me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Call
090
090
60
60
141
141
365.
365. Okay.
Don't go find work.
All right.
Don't go find work.
Never see anything.
Don't go find work.
No, Oga Dikeh, I ain't save you.
Get out.
I for deal with
Now
you.
when I cook, now you go chop. If I don't give you, no go chop.
Old woman, classy housemaid.
Coco.
Bad guy.
My person, what's up now?
Bad guy. You dey enjoy now?
Waiting I go do now.
So what's up about her? Any update?
We actually drove out together, so I dropped by to see you.
Nice. So what's up?
Yeah, Coco, you see, we need to be careful. Yeah, because she's playing smart. And with the way things are going, I think if you want to dribble her, she's already planning on to dribble you too. So we need to be very careful. Oh yes.
This girl, they try me. Oh. She dey try me. Well, it's okay.
Listen, Coco. I believe you still need to be careful, especially when she hands over the documents to you. Alright? You need to check it very well. Listen, in as much as she's been telling me she wants to travel abroad with me and all that, but yet, I saw a text message she sent to her brother. Oh yeah, right in her cell phone. I don't want to go into all that, but I just want you to be very careful. Alright?
Henry, leave that to me. I'll handle it. By the way, I've missed you. Bad guy.
Coco.
Let's go inside.
Coco, you're not going to kill me for this race.
Something must kill a man. My guy.
You got me there.
You're a bad boy.
You got me. Right.
Inside, baby.
Cocolicious.
My guy.
Right behind you, baby.
He did what? Yes, so that's what he said. He said he knows his house more than I do. He has been here before Fred even married you.
That is actually what Fred told me. But Chike is biting more than he can chew. Like, it is the audacity for me.
I saw him collecting Kizito's number. He even gave him money after to go and eat anything that he wants to eat.
Why would you do that?
Be careful of that boy, because he's very suspicious. In a way, not just pure at all. Be careful.
Chike. I have to tell Coco about this. I have to tell her. Pick up. She's not taking her call.
You should call him back.
Yeah, call her again. Hello? Nah. Good evening. Yes, I'm fine. I would need you to come to my house very early in the morning. Tomorrow. Please, it's really important. I'll be expecting you. Thank you. Alright, bye-bye.
I gave you my heart, I gave you all, but love is far from you. This love is far from you. I gave you my heart, oh baby. I gave you all.
What are you doing?
Yeah, is that you?
Yes. What are you doing?
I'm looking for my phone.
It's right here, but
Oh.
I mean, what do you need it for? Are you trying to make a call?
No, Chike was here, so he made calls with it. He called the doctor. So I'm just looking for where he kept the phone. Where have you been?
Okay. I was just trying to get recommendations for a good place for you. They said native medicine does wonders.
Oh, really? That's really kind of you. Where are you? Come get a hug. Okay. Oh, baby, that's... Your perfume. What perfume are you wearing?
It's something that I was trying on because I wanted to buy it for you. No. Baby, just turn this way. You're good now. It's a new perfume I wanted to get for you. I'm glad you like it.
I noticed you got a new maid.
Yes, I could not find Oge. I don't know what happened, but I tried to call her severally and she wasn't taking my calls, so I had to get Ijoma. You know we need a help, right?
Yeah, but that's fine. That's fine. That's okay.
Were you drinking?
Yes, I told you Chike was here, so we're just, sitting on a few bottles, and that's it.
Okay, that's nice. Anyway, let me quickly get you something to eat.
No, baby, I'm fine. Chike bought me something to eat, so...
Okay, no problem. Then let me just shower. I'll be with you soon. Let me chop.
Oh, the Coco Mansion.
Go away. Enough already. I'm done with you. Okay, so just allow me to.
Okay, all right.
Lucy have been calling.
Okay, why not call her back?
Okay, but she was calling at the wrong time.
You're right.
I'll call her.
Okay.
Yeah, hello, what's up? I missed your call. What? Oh, okay. That's fine. Alright.
Hey, what did she say?
Well, she said there's something she wants to discuss with me concerning Chike. But right now, she can't talk. She'll call me back.
Well, I guess we'll have to wait till she calls back. But talking about that guy, Chike, is he in any way trying to be a problem to us?
He wouldn't dare. Yeah, I know how to handle that one. You see, Fred, by the time I'm done with him, there'll be no one to help him. Not after everything he did to me.
Where are you now? I'm not seeing you yet. You can't miss me. I'm along the road. See me here now. Fred, I'm here. Oh my God, how are you? Look at you. Hey, fine boy. Hey,
Oh, I know it's you. The keke will carry me go Osakwa, Abiosama Junction.
I know.
I can't locate back there. They call me.
I know, say go hard to locate. Now make I come here, come wait for you. Wow, see you. You see fresh, oh, even in the village.
I beg. That hustle I come so.
I know, right? My guy. Welcome. Oh yeah, enter Kamode.
Okay.
Come in. Listen, manage my small house, so you know I'm still single.
Coco.
I do.
Coco. You dey call here manage. This place where they see so they call her manage. If I get this kind of place for this town, now blow. I don't blow straight. I go look this.
See, no worry. You go get somewhere with big pass this one.
Amen.
Yes, now. You're a very cute guy and very intelligent too. So if you get something like this, no worries, just a matter of time.
They pray, Coco. Naima they pray. Say God. Even say a boss cut about this town. I don't mind. Maybe I'll change my story. I don't too suffer.
I know. See, make I tell you something. You can stay here for as long as you want to stay. This is your house. Until you get your own place, just stay here, they chill now.
Na lie. Na lie, Coco.
You fit stay here. See, anytime you won't come up for this house, make you just know, say you don't get your own apartment.
Hi, Coco, bust my head.
I better go.
No, my happiness make me.
I understand.
Coco.
You know my guy.
Coco,
you know my person now. You don't forget. Even though say we not just run things so one day university. That one don't mean say I not got your back now. You know my guy.
That one at school matter now. As it be so now, I go make them up to you.
I trust you, Dad.
Coco, thank you. Okay,
you can stay here. This is your home. Feel free and hustle. You go make her. No worry.
Thank you, Coco.
But before then, I might take you go inside. Make I prepare something nice for you. Make you chop.
Who did? Coco, now God will bless you. Now God will bless you, Coco. God bless you. Thank
you still fine.
Thank you.
Fine boy.
Coco,
you too fine.
Coco.
You too fine. Yes, Chief. Okay. I'll see you tonight. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Please, Chief, can I call you back? Fine boy. What's happened? How did it go?
No, it don't go well, no. It don't go well. I mean, I don't dey tire for this kind. Imagine everywhere where I go, they talk say make I come back next month. Well, one of them even said they don't want to see me anywhere close to their gates. How am I going to survive with this kind of humiliation and be discrimination? I don't know. Are you sure I can make it in this city? Because the way things are going, I doubt though. Ha! Wahala be all this one.
It's okay, Fred. You don't do. Okay? But I have some...
weeks I came here, nothing, just nothing.
I know, everything will be fine. But I have someone that can give you a job. Like, straight up, you have a job. It's just that we are not in talking terms. Yes, but if I can just swallow my pride, meet him up tomorrow, Vam, you have a job. Like.
I don't know if it's to sound selfish or anything. You know the reason why you don't want to say it. But you need to help me. At least make her for the assist you now. Make her the assist you. Imagine you doing everything. Even transport where they use go there. Now you. Please.
Don't worry. I can do anything for you. I'll go see her. In a few days, you'll be working.
Thank you. Luau. I beg.
Don't worry. Say you do face. Wait here. I will not go for it. Don't do. I could wait for you. Go chop. I want rush to go somewhere. I'll see you when I come back. Go eat so. Life na jeje o. I'll see you later. Bye.
Coco, so this is you.
Chief, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I know I messed up. Okay, please.
You see, Coco, there's nothing to this life. I have forgiven you even before now.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, Chief! Chief, thank you so much. Thank you, Chief. God bless you.
So, who do you say need the job?
My brother.
I mean, my cousin, Chief, he has been at my place for weeks now. This guy is tired of life. He needs a job.
It's okay, it's okay. Tell him to see me in my office tomorrow.
Okay.
You would have come with him?
Oh, I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
There's no problem. Still tell him to see me tomorrow in my office. As far as you are concerned, he has the job.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, Chief, thank you, Chief. Thank you so much. Oh, Chief, you see, you didn't even care that I messed up. You still want to help my brother. Chai, Chief, you know what? I want to make it up to you. I want to make you happy. Just tell me where to meet you tonight so I can give you a sweet massage.
Coco, such things doesn't trip me anymore. Your brother has gotten a job. And if he is good at the engineering physics, he'll be ready to become a millionaire because there's something we are looking for someone to handle for us.
Chief, are you serious? Oh my God, Chief, thank you so much. You know what? You will not be disappointed. My brother is good. He's good! Chief! Oh my God, thank you, Chief! Yeah, I know you said you don't do those things anymore, but at least you can still give me a peck. Just a peck to say thank you, Chief. Mwah! Chief! Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Let me run along now.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm grateful. Thank you,
well.
Chief. Chief!
Let him see me too.
Chief! Hey, God, thank you.
Coco.
Tell me now, what is it?
Now you do this one, though. Coco, now you when they stand there, now you do this one.
What happened?
Now you do waiting my family members don't feel do for me. Only you now run am.
I don't need to ask you if you've gotten the job because I know you have it already. So tell me, how did it go? Gist me now.
Person where they see so now, na multi-millionaire. No be only job now I get to. I get contract. Contract what? 128 billion naira.
No lie.
They tell me.
You're joking.
Be joking.
We are rich! Oh my God! Is it like?
Yes, sir.
Fred, wait.
The man gave me 128 million naira worth of contract of mountain solar panel.
Hey!
He say for him village, the town hall where he built for him people. You're
joking.
For this town,
he told me he was going to do it. I didn't know he would. Congratulations to us.
Now you run.
Oh, wait. No. Fred,
wait.
Don't do that.
Don't do it.
You're going to get me pregnant again.
English
No, Fred, wait now.
This thing,
Okay, you know what? Let's celebrate this now.
Yeah, now you go celebrate.
No, we can't do.
Here
I don't
for
go
here.
I don't go above Bele again. See, you're gonna get me pregnant. Fred, stop it, stop. So tell me, what do you think?
What? This is mad. This is massive.
I told you.
God.
You like?
Of course.
I know.
Look, I find it difficult to believe that barely 1 year I came into this town, I'm already securing a massive mansion like this. Isn't that a testimony?
I told you. See, love, when you are with the right people, you make it big in this town. Well, I told you you're gonna make it.
You did.
Here you are.
God. This is...
I'm glad you like it.
Of course, I love it. I love the flowers.
And the ties on the wall.
Everything is...
Amazing, right? I know.
You see this guy? You can retain him as your security man.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
he's been the one maintaining everywhere.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
So,
Okay. That's fine if you say so.
So you can go back to your duty post.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Okay, ma.
Can we check inside?
Of course, why not? We can. Hold on. Okay, let's check the back through the other side.
I love the garden already.
Of course.
Okay, check the donkey.
Yes, let's check this way. I know you're going to love it.
This is good.
So, everywhere is intact. Ready to move in.
So how about the agent fee? Who are we?
Come on. I told you I will help you secure the house, so you don't have to pay me. I'm your girl.
It's open, right?
Yeah, it's open.
I don't understand what you just said.
What do you mean you don't understand what I just said? Fred, what are we? Because I don't get you. Ever since you came into this house, we've been sleeping with each other, and yet you go with other girls. What is the meaning of this now? I don't like it.
Coco, we are leaders of tomorrow. Okay? That is what we are. And the fact that you're taking this thing too extreme is what I don't understand. So the reason you've been helping me all these while is because you're expecting me to marry you. No, now. Things are not done like that. Things are not done like that. Anything you're doing it for God. And besides, I've told you that I will still settle you. I will still settle you, but you asking me to marry you or for us to start talking about marriage, this is uncalled for. With a knack, no means say we must marry. Don't do that. You don't say things like that.
Yeah.
I appreciate what you've been.
Come in.
You're serious.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, yes, it is.
Oh, I go settle them later. How you doing now?
I did fine, no. I dey enjoy you. Just the flex juice.
Abi?
Once I meet you.
So how are you?
I'm fine. Make I dey go now. Okay.
Coco, I don't know no vessel. With this Smalley.
My neighbor's sister.
The girl too fine. This kind girl I won't marry. Now this kind girl they fine since. If you say I don't see him, I for don't settle down. This na my spec. They no add, they no
Fred! Which kind of nonsense be this one now? No. Why you dey insult me now? Why you won't make me vex? So the one who they talk since you never finish am. I be mumu abi? You dey see my neighbor sister say you like am. No try am o, no make me vex.
Coco, the thing where they do you, we say you don't expect too much. You no go dey do something, they expect say this now you go. I don't already tell you now, so for my mind I feel say everything you don't understand. No understanding you dey lack. Now they try tell you say we dey knack no mean say we go marry. I dey expect say as we don't dey now, as me and you now na friend, you go help me say okay oh, the girl good to go ahead oh, or the girl no good to go ahead. No be wetin you go dey just dey vex on top the issue. I just tell you innocently oh. If you say I carry something for my, I no go tell you now. But I just tell you innocently. See, this thing now, waiting you go just come on mind for this thing where they talk. We be friends, no mean say we go marry. Yes, you know they know they force marriage. Oh.
Okay, so na me good to knack Joey. So she good for marriage.
Na knack who dey knack.
Oh,
we
na knack who dey knack. We no keep person abi. Make I tell you, no try am. If I see your hand for that girl body, you no go like me. Fred, you no go. So na so we talk am. So Fred, that's so you be now, abi? You don't wish like this now. Wahala not dey now. Oh yeah, see bill.
I don't know why you do this thing. See,
you don't know why anything. Don't even try it. Fred. Beauty.
Auntie Coco. Good afternoon.
Lucy, how did you get in here?
Auntie, I don't know how I want to answer that question.
Fred, you finally got her behind my back.
I don't understand. Auntie Coco, I don't understand.
Yeah, it's fine. Just go get her something to drink, okay?
Okay.
Fred, you see this you're about to do? You better not try it. Put an end to it. It's either me or no other woman.
I don't understand. Is marriage by force? Why are you pushing this too far?
Don't say I did not warn you. Excuse me.
Ha! Auntie Coco, you don't tell me, oh. Why are men so wicked? What kind of wickedness is this?
Ha! That guy is not just wicked. He's evil.
No, he no try. He no try. They need to do things like this. Auntie Coco, the matter we did here be say, me I no too like the guy like that though. I just want use and make I get funds, you sort myself out for school. No say my papa no get money now. I be poor man picking.
Lucy, but he love you. The guy love you. Make we use and play game. Just accept say you go marry him. We go start.
Marry ke? No. Auntie Coco, me I no go fit marry him. I no go fit marry him.
See, Lucy, you're not marrying him for marrying sake. You won't marry him because of his money. By the time we don't grab the money, collect him, you go divorce him, gently go marry another person where you like.
No, Auntie Coco, this thing wey dey talk you get as they sound for my ear, be like mosquito, but I don't know. I go reason am now. I go reason am. See, after waiting men do my sister, we make her go kill herself. I no even sure say I fit marry any man at all. Go marry person.
You see, I dey tell you say see oyibo, you say see father. Is this what I'm saying? Your sister was my very good friend and neighbor. Ever since we did this house, we know the quarrel. You understand? So I don't feel deceive you. You know what make you help your family? You see that your younger brother, you feel carry and go obodo ibo me go school. Una go get money yamfu. Just marry this guy, moku milk am.
But Auntie Coco, we no fit just chop him money waka go. I no must marry
chop my money when you no give am this thing now. Just tell her say you go marry her so you go get access to his wealth. If we don't carry on, go share the money. You don't want money. I don't feel deceive you. You be like my younger sister. Just tell me say you go think I'm okay, start.
Auntie Coco, I go reason am now. Because of the money wey dey on top.
Now, not be the money we dey talk about so.
I go sleep.
You see, they hungry, you don't chop. You see, go my kitchen, go serve yourself. Chop anything when you see for there. You know my sister, not will deceive you.
Hey, Auntie Coco.
I feel like your elder sister now.
Auntie Coco.
Now you. Go chop. No, serve anything you want eat. Enter fridge, carry drink, carry juice. Take water, take wine, everywhere good.
I dare with you.
Now wow.
By the time I'm done with that guy, he will regret the day he stepped into my house. I made him big in this town. He lived here. He had a mind to treat me that way. No, I won't let it happen.
Oh, Coco, why didn't you just kill him? I mean, you should have killed him.
That was the plan. Until he suddenly gone blind from God knows where. But I'm happy it happened. Yes, now we have all the opportunity to sweep his account without any trace. If we had killed him, there would have been trace. So I'm happy this way.
Yeah, I guess you're right. You know, right now he believes his wife loves him and he goes on to gift her with everything that she wants. And this is our opportunity to suck and sink him down until he goes down to 0%. Oh yeah, but we have to be careful with Lucy.
That one, come on. I can handle her. I just want to get hold of the document first. And you know that is why my cousin is there.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Oh yeah?
By the time we have the money, I'll buy that one time.
Bad girl.
And then we'll move with the money.
Bad girl.
You are the baddest guy.
Come on, babe.
You are a bad influence to me.
Go get me something.
Drink what? No? Help yourself.
I'm famished.
Me too. That is what we do.
Honestly, I have no idea what that guy's plans are. But don't worry. I have my own plans. I know how to tackle him. That's small thing. No. There's no need for a plan B at all. I've got this now. Just trust me. I've got it, okay? Yeah. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Honey?
Babe?
Are you okay?
Oh, yes.
What are you doing down? I did not hear your voice. You didn't call for me.
Well, I did. I just said to calm myself. No. My house, I'm used to it. So, thank you. I just got tired of staying in the bedroom all alone. So come relax at the living room. Oh God.
Are you okay?
Oh yes. Trying to be fine, but hearing your voice now, I'm fine.
Is that something you need, babe?
I'm just was just tired in the bedroom, but I'm okay. I'm fine. Just breathing fresh air.
Okay. No, I'm really tired. Let's go upstairs and sleep, okay?
No. I just want to relax here for some time. I'll go upstairs, but not now.
Baby, let's go and sleep. I'm really tired. Please, no. I'm tired. Let's go and sleep. You're really playful. Let's go and sleep.
Hey, come on, can I rest? I'm just coming down. Let me rest for some time.
Honey, I'm tired, okay? We need to get some rest. Come on. I'll help you up, my love. Obi. Plantain.
You really know how to get me. Oh, blind man is tired. He needs some rest.
Sorry, my love.
Okay.
You're doing to him because he cannot see.
As long as you'll be there with me.
Honey, grab my phone. We can go now. Sorry, my love.
It just bite the finger that fed you.
So you should think about it. I want to ask you, what is it that is bothering you in this house that you don't want to tell me your husband to be? Listen, do you know that this place we are is my family house? This is my family house, and do you want my mom and my brother to think that I cannot control the woman I call my wife? Eh? Do you want them to look me like, oh God.
You dey mad? You dey control me before?
I don't get it. See, Rita, I still dey tell you. See, I draw my ear. See, stop showing yourself. Don't show yourself here. This is my family house and I want you to understand that. This is my family house. Listen, now let me tell you something, Rita. Don't ever ever mention it that we are not yet married. Because if you do, you will spoil everything. In fact, you know my mom now. You will just spoil everything that we have planned. In fact, everything will scatter.
Meaning what? No. Meaning what? Let me say you no go marry me again now. And I go die younger, you know. Onyema, see the way you don't talk now, no think am. This way you talk now, if I don't think I'm not talk am again. No talk am again. No talk am again.
Rita, just calm down. I said don't shout. Tell me, why were you fighting? Why were the two of you exchanging blow? What was the cause of that fight?
She started it.
Your face is good. You're looking fine.
Why would I be worried? I'm worried. What is keeping them now? Just look at the time. Eh?
Why are you worried now? They will come.
They will come?
Yes.
When everybody is gone. Is that when they will come?
Nobody will go. Just
please do this space well. I don't like this pop-wish thing.
Hey,
use powder to fix it.
I don't know. Have faith for once, eh? Fine, yeah.
Rita! It has happened. Hey! It has happened or it has happened.
What happened?
Your husband is not coming again.
What do you mean by that?
I just saw your husband to be and your friend Rose kissing passionately in the car.
Hey!
They didn't even notice me. They were just lost.
Where?
Come, let me go and show you now. Come. Come.
Sorry.
See, what's the meaning of this?
What does it look like? Look, I'm done with you. The marriage is over and out. Let me be, okay?
Bring her down.
I told you that this marriage won't hold. Not when I am alive. Evil woman.
Me evil? What did I ever do to deserve this? What did I do?
You did everything. Honey, please, let's
go to where?
Calm down.
Calm down.
Take your hands off me right now.
With me. Come down.
Bring her down.
Calm down.
Calm down.
You guys should leave.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Calm down from this car.
Calm down. Calm down. Hello. You want to fight us? Hey, you come on. Hey, you come down. You want me to? Come on, hold this one, Alex. Finish her. Is it my leg? Hold that side. I will do that side. Husband snatcher. Husband witch. I'll break your hand. You see that you want to do? You see that?
Please, what did I do?
Please,
I'm sorry, please, what did I do? Please don't
going
go
back to the city.
Can you leave me for her? Please, and don't do this to me.
She's the one I want now, please. I'm going back to the city.
Please now, at least tell me what I've done, please.
You don't know what you did? You want me to tell you what you did? I don't have time for this rubbish. I don't have time for it. You want to put a curse on me for the rest of my life?
No.
I won't take that. You know what? When you are ready to get married, you look for a man. And when you find a man to get married, focus on your marriage. Please, I'm leaving. I don't have time for this. I need to go and continue with my business.
What did I tell you that I did? At least you can. Is that why?
Babe, please don't say that now, eh? Don't worry, we'll still deal with that girl. Eh? I get Woody and no compare. Just don't worry.
You don't need to say that. We have to go back and teach her a very big lesson. This one we did to her is too small.
Rose, I mean, ever since we finished our university, Rose has sworn that I will not have peace. Me, that will not have peace.
Okay. Really? Why? What do you both have in common? Is there any problem? Like...
You don't need to say that, eh? See, for her to do this to her on our wedding day, It shows that that girl is very evil. We need to go and teach her a very big lesson before she goes back to the city. What's all this?
See my face, oh. See this injury. See this injury.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm not happy. We need to give her our own injury too.
Calm down, don't worry.
Okay. You see today I will teach you very big lesson. I will tell you that I'm not your mate. The fact that we went to the same university doesn't make me your mate, or doesn't make you my mate. After teaching you a lesson today, lesson that you will never forget, then you will learn to respect me.
Oh my goodness! I think I'm scared. Oh, I'm shaking. Rita, do I look like someone who is scared? You see, I, Rose, I'm going to be your worst nightmare till you die.
I am going to tell you that you started coming to this village because of me. You left your parents in the city and came to this village because of me. I will make this place bad for you. You run out of this village. I promise you that.
Me, you run out of this village. You will rather run from me, because anywhere you see me, just know that you are done.
Really?
Yes. Excuse me.
Girls, fall out. We are here for you, we are here for you.
Where do you think you are going to? Just give us go ahead.
You want to Anna?
Shut up, your mouth.
It's your bum. We hear something today. It's your bum. Fight that anyway.
Fight that ear. Fight that ear.
Are you mad? Marriage scatter.
Husband snatcher.
Tomorrow.
Get
this nonsense.
Move. That is very good for her.
Yes.
I mean, next time she will see me and she will take off.
Exactly.
That is why I said, let's hit her very hard. Come back, come on.
What is all this? Me, I'm not even interested in him marrying me. If he likes, let him marry me. If he likes, let him marry me. And very soon I'll run away from this village to the city.
Yes, now. After all, men plenty for market. I think we won't die inside that one.
What are you doing here?
Rita. You think you're smart. Guys. That's the stupid silly girl.
Deal with her.
In my house? I'm sorry.
Why?
Sorry. Please don't be offended. Please don't be angry. We are sorry.
So na be abi.
Hey.
Now leave me run. Now leave me with those boys run. Now not even please call me for hospital, abi.
No, it's not that. Those boys, they had machetes. There's no way we could fight them.
Yes.
They are bad boys. Please don't be offended.
Leave me. Wait, make I recover first. You see that girl? She go collect woto. You see what? Now what be this? Oh yes, so.
Hey.
Yes, so.
Babe, if I'm to advise you, please let that girl go away with her madness.
Exactly.
Her father is very rich. You can't win this fight. Please.
Yes. You think so?
Hey.
Make her recover first. Ma see whether Juju no go work on her. Yes. Juju.
I beg, man, no dey inside at all.
Yes, count me out.
Yes. Ma see whether Juju no go.
I heard you. So, Rita, after everything I did to you, you still want to go and do juju? You see, that stuff, there are people that it doesn't work on, and I happen to be one of them. See, I am going to be your doom, and there won't be any hiding place for you. As for you girls, just wait for your own cup of tea.
Please, see, count me out. I'm not involved in this. Man, no day at all. Ogabi, you follow for this matter.
I better know they fear. We'll go run now.
Okay.
We shall see.
Make sure you take your medication. Please.
Are you serious? That girl has really done a lot of bad things to you.
Now you understand why I would not be under the same roof with that girl. I would not. You know what happened? I would not be in the same house with that girl. I would not. I would not. No.
Rita, it is not going to be possible for you and her to live in this house. No, now. Listen, she is leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. If there will be war in this house, let there be war. In fact, I am establishing this war. Let there be war.
Onyema, all I am saying is you are the man of this house. Do the needful. Because if she does not leave this house, I will leave.
Leave that to me. Rita, I said leave that to me. I will make sure first thing tomorrow morning she will leave this house for good.
Where are my two daughters? So come out. Yeah. Hey! Onyema! Baby! Onyema! Where are you people? Come out, come out, come out! Come out! See. Chineke! On my wife's car! Jesus. No way!
Baby! Who did this on my car?
Can you
Who
imagine?
did this?
Mama, on my wife's car! No! I will not take this! Wait, oh. Hey, don't touch it, oh. Wait, oh.
What is going on here?
Wait, oh. Mama, do you see it now?
Who could have done this?
You're asking me, what sort of question is that? Who did this? Who else would have done this? If not your useless wife. I said it. I said it that this lady is evil and no one believed me. Now look at it.
Mama, no, I didn't do this.
No, Mama, who did it?
Who did this?
You did.
If you didn't do this, who did this? And if you have hand in this thing, I will not be happy with you.
Mama, wait. What are you trying to say? That my wife did this. Listen, Mama, I have been inside with my wife dressing up to go and see Mazio Kuro. So how come about this? She knows nothing about this.
Don't say this. Your wife did this thing. I will call police. I will call police for your wife. Oh. I will call police for her. Oh.
I think I need to call my daddy. Do you know who my daddy is? Do you know who my daddy is? I have to call my daddy.
I'm going to shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
Don't tell me to shut up. Look at what your wife is.
Are you hearing your son? No. Mama, I don't like it. He's standing on my soil. The heir to the throne of this house. He's standing on my soil. My inheritance.
Let nothing happen to me. Let nothing happen to me.
Oh, it's okay. Mama, please, I did not do this. I did not do this.
You did this. You did it.
I did not do it.
You did it.
I did not do it.
You did it.
I'm calling police.
I'm calling police.
What your son? What you? Shut up.
You touch him.
Okay.
You touch him and you want to fight me. Hey,
Kizito!
Madam.
Now, what I will buy for you now?
That is your salary.
Hey! Madam! Madam, I go come work out for you. Madam, talent. Madam, mommy, that's why I talk about you. Eh? Won't you never even end it? Eh? Mommy!
You're sacked. That is your salary and you're fired.
But you said it's my salary.
Yes, the last one.
Mama, I don't understand. Mama, what are you saying?
Do you want me to write it on the wall so you can understand it?
Because, I did not go to school. I don't used to.
Look, I don't have time for this, okay? Go in there, pack your things and get out of my house.
Mama.
Now.
Hey, Mama, you never reach like that now. I don't come on capo. Hey, Mama, why you do like this now?
Do you want me to call the police?
Mama, please now.
No, should I call the police?
Mama, please.
Go in there, pack your things and get out. What is this?
Mama, hold on. Eh? I'm sorry. What? Anything. You just forgive me. Forgive me if I've offended you, Mama.
Your services are no longer needed. Go and pack your things and get out of my house.
Madam, I don't have anywhere.
Should I help you? Do you need a helping hand? Since you're handicapped. My friend, get up and get out.
Madam, please,
Come on, get out. Come and pack your nonsense and get out of my house.
Madam, you never reach like that now.
Are you still there? Should I call the police?
Madam,
do you want me to call the police?
Like that now. Madam,
you think I'm joking?
Madam, please
you
now.
think this is playing?
Madam, please now. Where do you want me to go? Madam, please now. I'm begging you.
Hello,
now.
officer. He's still here.
Madam,
he's still here.
Madam, I'm going.
I've tried though.
Madam, I'm going. Officer, Madam, I'm going. Oh.
He doesn't want to leave my house. Are you coming now? You're coming now. Please hurry up. Hurry up, please. The thief is still here.
Madam, move.
Move. Officer, please, I'm waiting for you. He's right over you when you get out of the house.
Madam, I will not do it again. Madam, I will not do it again.
You're even lucky I gave you money. I should have left you empty-handed. Riffraff.
Mama, I have said it before and I'm saying it again. I did not do this, Mama. I did not. Rose, what is it?
Please shut up.
What have I ever done to you in this? What did I do to you in this world? What?
Mama, what you and Bernard is doing in this house is not fair. What you people are doing to my wife is not fair. Oh God, I'm getting angry already.
Agreed. This is not fair. It is not fair. When we want to sleep, you see that gate? It was locked. It was locked. The person who did this flew from the sky or came from the wall or from the ground and did this. The person who did this must have an issue with the owner of the car.
Listen, Mama, God bless you. Bernard, what you and your wife, Rose or whatever her name is called, what you people are doing in this house? In fact, you are causing a very big problem, a very big trouble.
You are mad.
Listen, if I start my madness, hey God.
Will you shut up? You're mad. Teach it. Tell your wife to go in and pack and leave here.
Back to where?
Shut up your mouth.
Back to where? Let
Shut
her
up
go.
your mouth. On my inheritance.
Yes, police, she will sleep in police cell.
On my inheritance, they are standing on my inheritance. You are lucky that Mama is still alive. Wait, let Mama die. Listen. Rose, my wife has told me every single thing you did to her. Yes, you think I don't know? Just don't let me get mad at you.
You will try. You will not try it. You
You will not try it. See, I've respected you enough in this house. What is it?
Go.
Do you know the meaning of this?
Meaning of
Do you know if I should call my daddy? Both of you will rot in jail.
You are going to jail.
If I should call my daddy.
If she call her dad, you are going to jail.
Tell us. Oh yeah.
You are going to jail.
They don't know.
Charms cannot save you inside cell.
No.
Charms cannot save you inside cell. You have used this charm to. You see, Mama, it's obvious she has used this charm to hold your son. What kind of marriage is this? Marriage of charm. Marriage of charm. Come on, get Kill this charm, sorry. You give this charm what?
Okay, we go. Call that chicken. Baby, down, remember. Hello? Oga Chike. Na me, Kizito. Madam don't pursue me comot for house, so I don't know wetin I do. This morning, madam come say make I carry my bag comot. Say she go call police. Before I know wetin dey happen, madam don go call police, so. And Oga no even know say he don pursue me. Okay, I dey wait for you, Oga Chike. Abeg. Okay, now bye.
Kizito, what are you doing here? Why are you outside?
Madam, he pursue me. He say make I carry my thing, see my bag.
Madam don't pursue me.
What
do you do?
I don't know what I do. This morning, he say make I carry my bag, make I come out.
Who is there? A boy from where? Who are you looking for? Who are you?
Forget and let me pass.
Who are you looking for?
You don't pursue me, Abi?
Who be this one?
You don't pursue me.
You still there?
When madam call me back,
You still there?
I will deal with you.
Wait, may madam meet you here.
Oh.
Who be local maid now?
You see you?
Who be local
You see
maid?
you?
Who be local
I
maid?
will deal with you.
May madam meet you. Come
You
on
know,
here. Bye.
Come on here. Nonsense. You see you? It is not about you, Bala. You know Bala, but you look at me around. You rubbish. You don't pursue me. Wait to make Oga Chike come first. Wait, I don't call him. I don't even know what they delay him.
What? How? But why now? When? It's fine, I'll call you back when I get a minute. Bye.
Babe, I don't understand. Why did you jam the door now?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even know when I did it. I was just looking for my walking stick then. Babe, Chike called me. You sacked the gate man.
Yes, because he's an idiot.
Why?
Babe, if I tell you what this guy did, okay, I caught him sleeping in your car with the AC on in this hard economy. And even when Ijoma tried to stop him, do you know what he did? He almost slapped her. I mean, who does that?
That is bad now. I don't know that boy to be like that too.
I don't know. That's his business. Wait. Chike called you. You see what I am saying? This your friend is so disrespectful. He doesn't have any regard for me as your wife. Why couldn't he call me? I mean, look at your condition. In your condition, he's still calling you. I'm supposed to stress you out. What's this now?
It's okay. Just forgive him, please. On my behalf, just forgive him.
Baby, as long as Kizito is concerned, what do Yoruba people? Otilo is gone. There is nothing that will bring that boy back to the house. Please, let me just go and prepare something for you to eat. I'm coming.
Babe, stop. See, listen, you cannot leave now.
Onjama, please, I need to leave. You know me, if I do not leave, Rose is dead. She'll be a dead person.
Listen, Rita, no way. You are not in any way leaving this house. Listen, Bernard is my younger brother and I will never in any way allow him to defeat me.
Sorry, you've not shown it. You have not shown that he is your younger brother. You've not shown it. And I'm going to leave and you will suffer it. What's that look on your face? Like, are you going to beat me? And listen, if you touch me, I will deal with you.
Listen,
yes. You will suffer it. I'm sorry. You will suffer it. I'm going to pack my things.
And you're not leaving this house. I will not let you leave this house.
What will you do it?
Silly buggers.
Baby, do you really have to do this?
I'm bigger than this nonsense. I'm bigger than them. They cannot do me anything.
Won't it hurt you?
Hurt me? I will be the one to hurt them. They are silly buggers. Nonsense. They want to do whom? I will show them that I am bigger than them. Rubbish. Silly buggers.
Check under the car.
On when I'm not in. Yeah? Denard, Mama no need of bringing only water. I have defeated them. You removed it? I removed it now.
You removed it?
I removed them. I kicked them. I thought I would kick this silly. I kicked them silly. Nonsense.
But what is the meaning of all? What is this now? Eh? What kind of trouble is this? Eh?
Mama, tell that girl to go. Tell that girl to go before she will call her daddy.
Like seriously, Rita needs to leave this house. Let her leave. I mean, I know what I'm saying. Because if I should call my daddy, if I should just call my daddy, both of them will rot in jail.
Mama,
I'm just keeping it. I'm just lying low because of your son. Please. I mean, Rita have done a lot of damage to me already. Let her just leave. Mama, do you know that because of Rita, my daddy disowned me and sent me to the village for years?
Oh.
Because of her.
Oh, one more.
Mama, please. Let her just
Let
leave.
her leave before her daddy comes.
My daddy.
Mama, if she calls her daddy, Rita and the husband, they will go to jail.
Oh, yeah, ma.
Mama, do the needful.
That's what I want to do now.
Do the needful. See.
Oh, yeah,
in case they don't go. No, it's not. My hand is not in you. You call your daddy. You send 1 million. Let us get native doctors to fortify this compound so that they will not try it again. Nonsense.
1 million.
Or 5 million.
5 million
Yeah,
is
5
okay.
million is okay. To fortify this compound. We get native doctors that will fortify this compound. Call your daddy.
Call my daddy.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen.
But your hands, did you?
No. Go and wait. Where is the car key? Let me check it. It will start. Go and bring the car key. Okay. Let me check the car will start. If the car did not start, I'll slap them still. So you call your daddy. Your daddy comes. You buy another car.
What did you say? You want me to be your gate man?
Abba, you're not listening to me. Did I not tell you what happened to my husband?
You did, but...
No buts, okay? You're going to stay around so that you can be my eyes and my ears. I've already sacked the former maid and I got a new one. So you just be the gate man. You will not actually be a gate man, but just be watching around. Don't worry, you'll be taken care of.
Let's assume I've agreed to do it. But I will not sleep in a gate man house.
No, you will not. Do you know my husband's friend, Chike?
Yes, I know him.
Whenever you see him, make sure you lock him out. Do not open the gate for him. They want to ruin my marriage, but I will ruin them first. Okay?
It's alright, I've heard you.
If a company corrupt good ones, my kind of enviness.
God, the verse, at the verse. I'm not gonna lie. No, I don't want to do that now. Just try and come first. Who is that?
It's me, Jamasa.
What do you want?
I came to clean your room.
No, just come back later.
Are you sure I've not cleaned the house today?
Come back later.
Okay, sir. Oh, I just wish you can see what I am doing. Are you sure, sir?
Are you still there?
Oh no, I'm leaving.
Some mindset of people of this world can lead to hell. They gonna lead you to hellfire. follow them. Where you follow.
I called this last meeting because I'm no longer happy. Yes. Since yesterday you people came, I am not comfortable with what is happening. Since yesterday you people came, this one will say this one did this, this one will say this one did that. I thought it was a woman thing, where one woman will accuse the other one is acceptable. But that is not the issue right now. It has gone beyond that level. Shams are now flying from one end to another. I love the two of you very much. I don't want anybody to get involved or injuring yourself. So please, enough is enough. If you want to go, go. My sons will marry another woman for me.
Mama, my own will not go. His own will go. Else, there will be war.
War? Mama, did you hear that? Bernard, you want war? Then bring it on. Let there be war. As for my own wife, she is not leaving this house. Mama, don't diverse you. I don't diverse you.
Shut up. Just keep quiet. Don't get me angry anymore. What is it? What is it? Your wife is the suspect here. Yes, let them go. The gate is open, let them go. I will go and call the community boys to come and remove them.
Mama, not them. Her. Not them. Her. She will leave. She will leave.
It's okay, Mama, please. It's okay. It hasn't got into that. Fine, I'll go inside and pack my things and leave.
Leave.
Then leave peacefully.
Don't try it. Don't ever talk to her because she was not talking to you.
No, come and shut her mouth, oh. Come and shut her mouth. Husband of a woman of charm.
Sitting on my inheritance. Still talking
my
to me.
My friend, let me get what? Inheritance. This is how you have now inherited Sham. You have now brought the godmother of Sham. And you are inheriting it now.
My wife has told me everything from, in fact, how it started. Let Bernard's wife tell you how it happened and what happened. What is causing this whole drama? Because I cannot take it again.
Really? Rita.
What?
Do you really want me to say it?
That's your business.
Okay, fine. I will say exactly what happened. So, what's up now?
Where are you going to?
Actually, I'm waiting for my girlfriend Rita. I want to go to her house.
Rita?
Yes.
You have to be careful with that girl. Yes.
I don't understand. Why is everybody saying that? I mean, Rita is a nice person.
Alright, you know what? Don't worry. You just came into the companies. Huh? You will see him very soon.
She's a nice person. Okay,
right, no problem.
I'll see you later.
I will be going.
All
See
right.
you, okay?
Oh, she's even here.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Can we go now? What was he telling you? Hope he wasn't asking you.
He's just a friend.
Just a friend.
Mm-hmm.
Very soon now he'll want to sleep with you.
I'm single, ready to mingle. So if he asks me out, I will say yes if it's good. You know I don't have a boyfriend.
Listen, stop. You don't need a boyfriend. I mean, you don't need all that. I mean, I can be everything to you. Everything.
You?
Yes.
Oh, please, wait. Can you do what a boyfriend can do? You know what I mean? Like, can you...
Oh, let's go home. When we get home, we'll find out. Let's go.
Okay. What? Rita! You mean lesbianism? Are you serious?
What is wrong with it?
Everything.
Listen, Rose. You know, when you do this thing, there will be nothing like heartbreak, pregnancy, and all that. Listen, you are secure with me, okay?
No. I can't do this. I mean, I can't do this.
Why?
What would people say? I mean, how do you feel doing this? We have a lot of handsome guys everywhere.
Yes.
Why
won't you do it? Listen, if you see the both of us, who will suspect? Nobody. I'll take care of you, trust me.
I'm sorry. Please. I can't do this. I mean, what will people say? What will my dad...
So tell me, how does it feel? A woman doing it and a man doing it, what's the difference? Hmm?
I'll think about it.
You don't need to think about it. You'll be fine. Okay?
I can't do this. No.
Rose, what is it now? Don't allow people to come here and see us like this. Let's go inside.
Leave me alone. What is it? This is so painful. Do you want to injure me?
Listen, it's because it's your first time. With time, you'll start enjoying it, okay? Let's go.
Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. I mean, I prefer the real thing. It's not sweet. You want to injure me?
That one was big, right? I'll use a smaller one. I have another one. Okay, you will enjoy it.
Just take it easy on me. Do it slowly.
It's your first time. You will enjoy it. I promise you. Let's go. Come now.
You work very well.
What manner of woman are you? Are you out of your mind? I sent you here to study at the Polytechnic, as well as take care of your grandmother. But here you are, involving yourself in woman-to-woman affair.
Daddy, please. I'm sorry. I promise I will never do this again. I'm sorry.
Who are you calling daddy?
I didn't know what came over me.
Listen to me and listen good. Henceforth you cease to be my daughter. I don't want to ever see you in the city again. Here shall you remain even after you are done with your schooling.
Daddy, no. You can't do this to me, Daddy. I am sorry, Daddy. Please, Daddy. Daddy, please. I'm sorry.
What a waste of daughter. What a waste. You disgust me. Never you ever call my line again. Never you ever.
Daddy, please, I'm your only child. You can't do this to me, please, Daddy. I done to myself. This is not fair. I mean, my dad is really taking this thing too far. For some months now, he stopped sending me money, and I'm very, very broke. Rita, can you help me with some money?
Rose, I'm sorry. I wish I can just help. But I'm sorry.
Just that I'm missing my grandmother. If she was alive now, I don't think I'll be going through this. She would have given me money.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Just that I have a project. That's all. I just have one project going on. Else I would have helped you. Yes.
Hold on. Did you say project?
Yes.
Rita, is it true you're getting married?
Who told you?
I
Let's go now. I've been waiting for you at home.
I'm sorry, babe. I was discussing something with my friend. I'm sorry. Let's go. I'll talk to you later, please.
Did I just hear him call you babe? Rita, did he just call you babe?
I said I will talk to you later.
No! You have to give me the answers now. Are you getting married? Yes or no?
Baby, what's going on? I told you to announce it to everybody that we are getting married. Is she not your friend? Why are you hiding it from her?
Okay, fine. I am getting married, okay? But we'll talk about it later, okay? Just relax. Later I'll speak to you.
Really? This can be true. Are you serious? Like, Rita is getting married? How? No, I think I'm dreaming. Rita, what is hard for you to explain? I don't get it. Rita, you discouraged me from men and then you changed my sex life. And now, you want to get married without even letting me know? Who does that?
Rose, I said I am sorry. I don't even know how to explain it. I am sorry.
Really? You are sorry, just like that? So it is true. It is true what people said about you.
Hold it.
You're such a bad person.
Don't insult me, stop it. What is it? What? I don't know what to say to you. I am telling you, I am sorry. If you see a husband, you can marry. What's so difficult in it?
Rita, you lured me into this. We are in this together. You see that marriage? It won't hold. Read my lips. It won't hold. Yes, that marriage would not hold. I mean, you made my father disown me. Let me tell you, the only way this marriage will hold or will take place is when my father forgives me and takes me back. That's when this marriage will hold.
Are you threatening me?
Call it.
You threatening me? You crazy? No, you don't forget who I be. What is wrong with you? Hey, if you have any problem with your father, go and settle it with your father. Don't come here doing this. Get out of this place.
You're mad.
Rita, who the mad? You the crazy?
You the mad.
You who the mad?
You want to
get
get
married?
married?
Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you?
I want you to stay away from my marriage. You want to ruin my marriage, right? I want you.
Rita,
I want you.
Rita, please.
Rita, I want you.
I promise I will stay away from you.
What do you want to do, Rita?
Allow me to kill this foolish girl. Allow me to kill her.
No, you can't kill her. Rose, but I want you to stay away from her. You couldn't listen.
You did.
Let's talk.
Thank you.
Rita, repent.
You saved her today, right? You will not save her tomorrow.
Mike.
Oh no. What is it?
I greet you. Your wife to be wants to kill me. She attacked me with a knife.
What are you talking about?
Please, do not marry Rita. She's a lesbian.
Lesbian? Are you serious?
Yes. I happen to be her partner. Let me be frank. I happen to be her partner and I was jealous she was getting married without telling me. And then she attacked me with a knife. She wanted to kill me. See, if you love yourself, do not marry Rita. Rita told me that she's going to cage any man that wants to marry her or that will marry her with juju. She said after caging you, she will be the one to be answering her yes ma, instead of the other way around, so that she will continue with her lesbianism art. If you like yourself, stay away from her.
You can't be serious. Tomorrow is our bride price payments. Everything is set for our marriage tomorrow.
Mr. Mike, I like you, that's why I'm telling you this, you know. If you know what is good for you, Do not marry Rita. Rita will use juju and cage you. She will tie you and put it inside bottle. You will remain there. Anything she will say is what you will do. You will be the one to be telling her yes sir. Instead of her to be telling you yes sir, you will be the one to be telling her yes sir. If you like, listen to me. If you don't like, forget me. Going straight to the police station because this is called attempted murder. She wanted to murder me. I'm leaving.
Just look at you. Look at you. You told me you liked the village. I allowed you to come here and study at the polytechnic. It became a ticket for you to start behaving anyhow. Rose, did you not find any man at your school? Did you not find any man suitable for you?
Daddy, please. I'm sorry. Daddy, it's a work of the devil. Daddy, please, I promise. Just take me back, just like the prodigal son. Just like the prodigal son father did. Daddy, I promise. Anything you want me to do, I will do it. I will never indulge in such acts again. Never. Forgive me, Daddy, please, I beg of you. Help me beg my father for me, please, Daddy, please.
Chief, please, forgive her. Forgive her.
Bernard,
sir,
this girl broke my heart. Why did you even force me to come here at this moment?
Chief, when we called now, they called that your daughter is sick, that she's dying. When we called that he will not come. Sir, please, that you're here now so that you take her back to the city. Please, forgive her.
Yes, Daddy. I had to pretend as if I'm dying. I know you wouldn't come if I didn't say that. Forgive me, Daddy. Please. Let me beg, please, Daddy.
Chief, please. Chief, let me follow and kneel down. Chief, yes. Stop crying. Chief, please.
That was exactly what happened.
Hey! Chai! Hello! Hello! Rita!
Rita! Jesus.
No wonder.
And after that, I met Bernard and we started dating. Mama, you see why I said I can never stay under the same roof with this idiot seated there.
If you would not stay there, stand up and leave. Stand up and leave if you cannot stay. Okay,
you will be the one to leave.
You will go. Woman of charm.
We have to talk because I cannot take this.
Oh, my head is choked now. What do you want us to talk? Onyema. What is it that we want to talk?
Onyema, you know the agreement. You must marry me. If you don't marry me, you will die.
You see? What did you say? Mama, are you with us? Mama, did you hear that? No wonder. You cannot confirm what the charm. Mama, your son is gone. You only have one son now.
And that's
so look after me.
Which is you.
Me.
And we don't care about the inheritance.
We don't care about inheritance. Pray for your son, Mama.
Yeah.
Look where your son, Anna. Your son, Anna, Nudo, Mama.
What did you say that happened?
Ogachiko, thank God you are here. Madam sent me away from the house. I did not do anything. I did not do one shekeli something. I did not do anything. Madam don't sack me, say work don't close. Just like this.
But she told her husband that you put on the AC and you were relaxing, enjoying the car after washing it.
Madam, don't lie for this one now. Ogachike, you know me now. I cannot do that kind of a thing now. I cannot do that now. You know me now. Why madam can't they lie for this one?
Okay, don't worry, okay? Don't worry. When I get in there, I will talk to them, okay?
Please,
Just stay here, I'm
please. 49 children.
Stay here, I'm coming.
Try.
Open this gate, boy.
Bros, you are not permitted to enter this house again. I'm sorry. So please go to your house.
Boy, are you mad?
Boy, what is wrong with you? Boy, open this gate. Open this gate. Hey, Mr. Man. I'm just respecting you. Please go to your house. How can you disrespect my sister in her husband's house? Who are you?
Boy, open this gate. Open this gate now.
Okay, Dikeh, I told you. Wahala dey this house. Wahala dey. Call Oga o. Call Oga, man, you know where the Oga. Call Oga o. I tell you, there is a very big problem. It is well.
No problem.
Dikeh, call Oga o. Call Oga.
How come you don't eat my food anymore? You need to eat something now so that you can take your medication.
I will eat once I'm back from the hospital. Please, it's not like it's only my food. Yeah, hello? Okay, you're there. Okay, just give me... Really? Babe, did you ask your brother to shut Dikeh out?
Yes, I did. That your friend is so disrespectful. He cannot come to my house and disrespect me. He needs to stay outside.
Oh, baby, that is wrong now. You could have told me that. I'll caution him. He's here to take me to the hospital. Can you please tell your brother to open the gate for him?
No problem, I'll do that. But baby, you don't ask me to take your calls anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry. You see, the phone was close to me. That was why. Nothing is there.
Okay. But what about your shower now? You did not even ask me to come and help you.
My bad. But the thing, you were busy then. So she helped me do it. I don't like to bother you sometimes, so...
Okay.
Please, can you go and help with the gate? Tell him now, please.
It's only because he's taking you to the hospital.
If not for one thing now, don't worry. Very soon, Nemesis will catch up with you. Evil. You want to kill me? You ain't gonna eat my food. You have one.
Mama, see, somebody will die in this house today because my wife is not, she's not living an inch.
Nobody is dying. Nobody is dying and your wife is going. It is very obvious that she's using charm on you.
Mama, I am not going anywhere. I will not run from that small girl. I will not do it. If she wants to go, she can go. Aganede.
Nonsense.
Good.
I would rather leave than to allow this witch to kill me. You know you tried killing me once.
Auntie, get out.
I will not allow you to.
Auntie, get out. If you want to leave, you can leave. Because if you stay here, a home when I come.
Mama, open your eyes.
If Bernard and the girl is going, me too, I'm going. Wait for me, don't go, come.
Mama, you can join them. Let me inherit my property.
I know what to do.
Let me inherit my inheritance.
I will not allow you to kill me again. I am leaving.
Rose, if you want to go, you can go.
Honey, hurry up, please.
See, enter the car now.
Honey, my foot. I better be let's honey my foot. Very, very...
Honey, hurry up, please.
At least look at this. Nobody will now ask us. We can no hiding again.
Where you dey go? Where you dey go? I go woz you hot slap like the craze. Dikeh, I know I may look small to you, but let me tell you something. I am mighty as hell and I will deal with you. I go chook hand for your eyes. Nonsense.
You will deal with me?
Yes.
Lucy, you said you will deal with me.
I said what I said.
You. Because you think you don't get lawyer, B? See, you and that your lawyer, I go change am for now. You dey craze.
I beg you now. I go take care of my children.
Hey, there they go. Don't even enter my house, oh. Don't enter my house at all.
Lucy, I am keeping quiet because of my friend. Lucy, you're not even up to my younger sister. Lucy, I'm telling you, mind the things you do. Mind what you do. Just remember there is karma.
Oshe.
Anyway, no
Prophet
problem.
Moses. See, you will stay here. I will go inside and bring my husband out. And then when you take him to the hospital and return, you will leave immediately. Since you want to disrespect me in my house, oh yeah, now let's be disrespectful.
Lucy, what is wrong with you?
Wrong.
What did I children? Oh, what did I?
Hey, there you go. If let's say you never see snake in the monkey shadow, I go punch you, my guy.
Bros, go ahead her. Stay here. If you move an inch, it's not by body size. I can take you down one-on-one. So stay here if you don't want any trouble.
Okay, no problem. I am not here to fight. Please, go in and call him for me, please.
Before uncle, do you have a choice? Nonsense. Boy.
I'm here. Boss, you stay here. You respect yourself, I respect you. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow.
Boy, you just dey show yourself. You are lucky. Your in-law here is my friend. If not, I go handle you.
You handle me?
I swear.
You handle me?
I will handle you.
Move an inch.
I should move an inch.
You will see who handle each other. Bros, come back here. Should worry you.
Mama, come. Let's leave this house of charms. I beg.
Someone's inheritance.
Someone's inheritance.
Mama, where are you going?
I'm going.
I am going with Bernard and his wife. You can remain here. When she kills you, we will come back.
But why are you doing this? This is not fair, Mama. You are doing all this because Rose's family is rich.
Yes.
She came from a rich home.
Yes.
Mama, tomorrow I go get money. I'll be rich tomorrow.
You will not get money again, no. You will not get money again.
Come inside.
You are past the age of getting money. Do you think it's easy to marry a rich woman?
Mama, come.
Go and marry now. Mama, come.
Where do you think you're going to? See that gate?
That gate is locked. Nobody's going anywhere. And watch your son die with this thing in my hand. He will die with this thing in my hand today.
Baby, don't kill me, please. Mama, you see? No, Mama, you see?
Onyema, you must marry me. That is the agreement.
I will marry you. I promise you. Just calm down.
Hey. We are not going anywhere again. Bernard, come back. Please, Biko. I beg you, don't kill my son.
But please, what is it? What is it? I mean, why do you hate me so much? Why do you hate me so much? Am I the only one to practice lesbianism? I mean, Mama, haven't I stopped? Haven't I?
Hey. Biko, calm down.
No, please, don't tell me to calm down. Am I the only one here that has a criminal record? Is your son not a killer? Ask him, did he kill someone?
Hey!
Two to go. One to go. Inside town. Baby, I don't understand though. You don't dey follow me since when I dey carry passenger. I go carry passenger, I go drop passenger. You no gree come down for my motor. Where you dey go?
I beg now. I don't get anywhere to go. I beg, help my life. I beg.
Me, I don't understand though. I don't understand the kind of help where you want man help you. You dey hear me? I beg. Okay. Take this money. Take all of them. I beg. Take now. Calm down for my motor. I won't go house. It's tea time now.
Okay, I no fit come down. Come down, go where now? I no get anywhere to go. See now, enter this town to hustle. Now hustle I come hustle. I no get mama, no get papa. Now I make I dey beg you, help me. Make I follow you. Anywhere where you go, carry me. I beg.
What not dey possible? Okay, you won't follow me. Go dey do it.
I know my make I be your conductor. I beg. I go dey stay with you. No wahala. I go be your conductor.
No, be my conductor. You know, say when we did there, not feel ask you anything. So what you say now be the problem?
Oga, as you see me, so I be orphan. I no get anybody. I no get anywhere to go. I beg Oga, help me.
See, as you see me, so I be graduate though. Be graduate from Owife Polytechnic. It's in my village.
You mean am?
I mean am. Oga, beg. Help me.
No vex. See, if na to be your conductor, I go run am for you. I beg. And as you say, you never marry, abi? I feel they stay with you.
You're funny. I no go lie you. See, make I tell you. If I tell you, say it not dey my mind to help you alive. But my problem be say I dey fear. How fine girl like you now go come say make me whenever I get ordinary bus driver make it help you. Me you no go wake up one day go put me for problem. People help people, don't put people for, they don't land them for problem too much.
Me put you for trouble? How? How now? I don't fit put you for trouble oh. Even if you want marry me, Oga, I go accept oh. Marry me, make I begin stay here with you.
Fine girl like you won't marry ordinary bus driver.
Okay, I go marry
you won't set me up.
I go marry you.
I don't hear what you talk. You know say if you look himself, my conductor not there. In the sick. In do major operation. So I don't know when he go come back. What did they be saying? Your story touched me.
What?
I go give you that opportunity.
Hey!
Conductor,
I got no face. I got no face. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Also, you go like me.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go first. I go like
Nothing
if that
being
flag
said,
go this song, I know why I'm going to sing it.
I'm going to go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Which I inform you.
Bros, you see this life? This life don't teach me lesson. I don't see shege for this life.
You mean I'm...
You're lucky. You get brother, you get mama. Me, I don't get anybody.
Oh. But don't worry, see, we don't date together. Your matter says, you give me inspiration. This thing, I did very happy. Say you do well.
Oh, me again.
I say you pick it up.
Let me again. Don't me again.
When I drive, I just look.
Hey.
I think I reach and they rock. Hey, God.
Hey.
You get vibe.
That's what I say.
But I will tell this thing later, man. You don't understand? I want to start work, so I need to do one or two.
This one not correct now. Finish up.
You don't understand. I won't get inspiration. You know, say boss now, eh? All of them done the park for my front. Passenger go down they look for us now. Now get inspiration small.
Correct. But why?
I want high now. This one they give me high target. You don't do one before.
How they taste?
You first test them now, make you know how they test. I don't feel tell you how they test from here now. Hold on. Really? Fire na do am now. I don't believe you. Get one thing within my mind when they tell me say no, you too much.
I'm sorry.
Hold on. Anyhow when you hold on, just sit down. Correct. I dey expect that. Drink up. There's always a first time. Sip am again. Sip am again.
But then I said this thing go correct.
It's correct now. When I take this thing, when passenger they talk and not they answer them, I get my target. How you feel am? How you feel am?
Hey.
Or now you take this thing and man for my door everywhere. Go. On how you camp like this with this inspiration. Correct! Everywhere. Yeah, passenger gonna pay you double. I said inspiration in my door. Good. On how you take this thing so mount my door. Nah, passenger gonna pay you double. Sip am. See when we walk small, we enter one corner, we sip. Huh? No, see soup now. Huh? I swear, I dey happy well as me and you meet.
Same here. So tell me, how did work go today?
You know, you see, the same way now, giddy, shout everywhere. Huh?
I know. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll go with you, okay? You know I was really tired today.
Yeah. Very sorry. See, I understand. I don't say not easy. In fact, come and feel
it. You're really romantic. You're making me fall in love with you. Stop.
Me too. See, may I tell you, this meet with me and you meet, I get the belief say now for reason, and that reason, no worry, you go so pure.
Someone is in love.
You can enjoy this food.
Enjoy it. Don't you feed me?
Yeah, wait for
Your poop were not vegetable now.
But there's vegetable now. Okay, take it. See, I deal with you full time. In fact, you did bust my head.
Now me you blow, Joro. You don't give me food, Abby. You don't give me food. You won't feed me. Then can I pull back for your plate?
No. Your food too sweet.
Hold on there. Come down.
I don't want to calm down.
Why are you fighting me?
Give me my money.
Which money?
Give me my money.
This is not my bus stop. I asked you to come down for what? This is my bus stop.
You go collect my give me my money.
I will collect for what? Let me tell you, if you didn't give me my money, I will. If you didn't give me my money, I will not give you my money. For what?
Okay, just waste our time for here. What's the meaning of this now?
Rita, now so they do for this town. Enter motor. Okay, you want you the money? Okay, chopper. Leave a motor.
Bros. You are not even ashamed of yourself. Use a woman to be your conductor.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
What's the talk?
What do you talk?
You talk about don't tell you.
What do you worry you?
You slap me. Come on, talk. Come on.
You want to collect?
No, nothing happened. What I enter motor.
One man die. You say make I enter motor. One man die.
Okay, this man don't die.
Okay, nothing. Somebody. Small blood will die.
Say Sabi slap. Madam, come on.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come here, Joe. This man don't die.
This man don't die. Mama, no disturb. Check out.
This man not dey breathe too.
Na person na you kill so. When make we come out from this town, now make we come out from this town, Yema.
See the problem, I see somebody will know me for it. But they don't trace me come here.
Why they talk now? Make we come out from this town. Make we come. Where we won't go now? Where we won't go?
Which kind of problem is this? Now somebody boss. Now you don't go so.
You don't go. You don't.
See, marry me. Make we go my village.
What they do you now? Wait till be this one now. You know if you talk what you go pick keep. Which kind of be this one now?
See, calm down. See, this time not be time we will take the battle where. See, they hear me. If I go my village now, leave you here. You know they safe for you. Understand me. Follow me, go village. Marry me. Then that place they safe for me and you. I swear to God, nobody go see me and you there. See, no time for
not pay for them. No, they touch them.
Huh? Whoa. Killer! You kill some.
Mama, it's just one. Only one person.
Oh yeah, man. So, boss Gina in a township. I was thinking that my brother in township is rich. I'll go to his house for holiday.
Bernard, what's your problem? Bernard, don't let me lose it.
Lose it as a punch, right?
Bernard, shut up your mouth. Is that the matter at hand? No, is that the matter at hand? See, Mama.
Don't call my name. Don't call my name.
This girl must not live here. Because if she leaves, I'm in trouble. She will expose me.
I will expose him.
Yes,
I will expose him and he will go to jail.
Mama, bring out your bag. You can stay. But I can go now. Go to where? Can't I go? You're not going anywhere. Daddy, I need to call my daddy. We are going to our daddy. No. Don't worry, Mama. See your son. Son, see your mama. He can kill your mama. When he come, I will come for burial. People should give me the list.
See what I will do to these people. What I will do to them. Like by the time I'm done with them, nobody will save them.
Let's act fast. What are you waiting for?
I want them to fall into the trap, okay? Let them fall into the trap, then catch them. Where's the document?
Here is it. I printed it.
Okay. This is exactly what they have been waiting for. This is the bait, okay? This is it.
Yeah.
And I believe they will fall into the trap. They will fall into the beach. And that will be the end of my story.
But why would Lucy be so foolish to fall into the deceit of Coco?
That is it. That's human beings for you. Look at someone I'm helping, a girl I'm helping. By the time I'm done, she'll be cooling off in the cell. Imagine a girl I'm helping. Yeah? Imagine a girl I'm helping, her family, a girl I love is doing this to me.
I told you that girl doesn't love you back. I noticed it. Do you remember I was the one that gave you the clue to monitor her? And you found out her plans.
It's okay, it's fine. Just drink up. Let me go hand over the documents. Okay?
How?
I got this, okay? This is what they have been waiting for. Once she has it now, they will act. By that time, our men will be waiting for them to land. You get the check?
Yeah.
Looks like that. It's fine.
Agumwine, the lioness.
Auntie me.
Small but mighty. Small motor big engine. Check me. You too much. Hey! My girl. You are doing well. Please sit down. Hey!
Auntie, you were not there. You needed to be there. Hey, I carry pepper mix. I grind them like this a point for your eye. You never see anything, no.
You did well. That serves him right. That guy, we need to take him out of the way.
Auntie Coco, you go mess things up for us. So, you know I'm still looking for the document. I still haven't found it. I have literally searched everywhere in the room. I have no idea where Fred kept it.
Keep searching. See, we're going to poison this guy. Yes. I will get you something that you give to Ijoma. She can add it to his food. Then he's out of the way.
Poison care. Auntie Coco, I'm not sure say go walk or you know say me and the guy just fight. If he no gree chop my food.
Lucy, that is why you have to be smart. Pet him. Apologize to him. Massage his ego. He will fall.
No wahala, auntie. I go try. That aside, the problem be say my husband no dey gree chop my food again. Seriously, he doesn't eat my food anymore. These days he just does his things without even letting me know. If not before, he'd be like, honey, I want to take a shower. Come and help me. Honey, I am hungry. Come and feed me. But now, oh wait, he no dey tell me anything. He even tell me today, say, he asked Ijoma to help him take a shower. Can you imagine?
What?
Ataya.
You mean your husband asked Ijoma to bathe him?
Auntie Coco, about the chicken matter, I go try. Honestly, I cannot wait for this guy to get out of the way so that we can be able to sell Fred's properties. By the way, have you gotten buyers?
Oh yes. Harry and I spoke with them. They are just waiting for the document.
These documents, they give me headache. But I go find them. I go find them. No worry.
It's okay. I'll just go in now and bring the stuff for you. Make you give it your mom to prepare.
Okay. If the matter tire you, Abi, Ijoma
go beat your husband. That's so. And Ijoma did.
She did though.
Ashawo did again.
No, it plenty for her.
No, Ashawo did.
They shine. Shining prostitution.
Mama, please, I am very sorry. Can this just do with us start lesbianism just like that? It was actually frustration that pushed me into lesbianism. I was getting frustrated. I had to do something to make myself happy. Men actually jilted me, so I didn't have an option. I just had to do something. Please forgive me, I'm sorry. I've stopped. Please.
Mama, no matter what happens, I am not ready to leave Rita. Mama, for this little time I met Rita, a lot of things has changed in my life. She contributed to all of them. Mama, do you think it is easy for a bus driver to get a wife? It is not easy. Every single girl there in the city wants to get married to big boys. So, Mama, I am not ready to leave her, no matter how bad she is. See, you and your favorite son can stay here. I and my wife, we will look for where to go. I know we'll be fine.
No, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere, no. I was scared because of the shams I was seeing everywhere, on top of the car, on the ground. That's why I was scared.
Mama, Dad, I said it that day, Mama, and I'm still saying it again. I did not pull that. I've never visited a native doctor before. I did not do it, Mama. I did not.
Then who did? Huh? Who did? See, me, I'm very scared right now. I'm scared.
You did not. That one that is in your hand. What are you doing?
Mama,
What is that?
Just a stick. I used a red cloth to tie it around just to scare everybody. I did not.
You use red cloth to tie stick?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah.
I did not.
So if you did, who did now? Who brought those things? Who did? Eh? Bernard.
Huh?
What is the meaning of that sign?
I did.
You see?
Huh? You did what?
You did.
Bernard.
You're silly.
I did it for my wife not to go now. Yeah. I'm trying not to for my wife to leave, so I have to do it so that everybody will think that it's Rita that did it and she will leave.
Then are you a native doctor?
I'm not a native, I'm learning.
You're learning. That one you put on top of the car is what?
I just plate, empty plate now. It is your old cloth, it's your old plate, old cloth. Everything is your with your old stick.
Did you have to do that?
Huh? It's for you now.
Don't
so
be
that you
silly.
not call your daddy.
Did you have to do that?
It's for so that you will not go. Mama, I'm sorry.
Hi.
Mama, please, for peace. I have decided to leave. Please. Rose, I don't hate you. For you to know that I do not hate you, listen, you can stay. I'm ready to go, please. So you know I do not hate you. Please.
You're not going anywhere. Anywhere you go, I will go with
Nobody is going anywhere. You are all going to stay here with me. I love you as my children. You are not going anywhere. Oh?
Let me go. Let me do more. Let me go.
Yeah, you going.
If I will go, let me go. Oh.
Sorry,
Rita, I don't hate you. I was just angry that my dad has to disown me because of you, and you left me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Calm down.
All I want from you, all I want is just love, love me back.
No one is here.
Really?
Baby, all I want from
Did
you.
you check the dining?
I can't see anyone there.
I was even thinking someone might be at the dining.
Let's go inside the room now.
There's no need for that.
Oh, honey, you're back. I'm here. How are you?
Well, I'm trying to be fine.
How did it go?
Well, the doctor said I won't be able to see again. So I'm just accepting my fate.
Oh,
Sad.
for you. But look, don't take it to heart, okay? Whatever happens, I am here with you and I'll always be with you. Okay? I've got you. And your friend, Chike, he's here. We've got you. Right? Chike, we've got him.
Whatever.
Chike, come on. You can't still be mad at me. I'm sorry. The guy was just behaving like a coconut head. Forgive me now.
It's okay. It's past. I'm fine now. I'm okay.
Thank you.
So baby, from there I stopped by to get the house documents. Okay, Chike, give her the documents.
I thought these documents were here all this while.
Oh no, it's been at the bank, but I had to bring it because my situation is bad now. So you have to keep it in case if I'm normal. So
Honey, nothing will happen to you, okay? You will live to see your great-grandchildren.
Amen.
Amen. Don't worry, this is safe with me, okay? Let me just find somewhere and keep it in the room.
Amen.
Yeah, I'll be right back. Oh, where is Ijoma? She needs to prepare something for you to eat. I'm coming, baby.
Guy, you bad, oh. You be bad guy.
I said make you leave on for me.
Confirm.
Everywhere good.
I trust you.
Hello, Auntie. Everything has worked out as planned. No, not that one. But he has given me the documents to the house. Yes. So the next plan is to take him out, Abby. We need to take the guy out, right? Okay. All right. Bye.
You called me?
Yes. Please, you need to prepare food for everyone. Okay. But you will put Chike's food aside. Yes. Thank you. So you put this in Chike's food. Make sure it touches every corner of the plate.
Wow. Hey, serious? Do you want to take him out?
Time never reach. The guy is causing us so much headache. Now he has to go.
Well, okay. No problem. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Thank you.
How can I be this as money today and no food? I don't even know her plans. I'm hungry now. See, if I enter that house, any food I see, I will eat it too. I don't care. What's this?
Hey, gate man. Please open the gate for me. I want to go out.
Bros, I bet. Stop it. Which one is gate man? I'm not your gate man.
Are you serious? Was that not why your sister brought you here? That's what she brought you here to do. Please open the gate for me. I want to go out.
So, if you want to insult me, which one is gate man?
Chike, are you leaving?
Yes, I'm leaving. I have something to tidy.
Chike, you cannot come to this house and not eat anything now. Why are you still mad at me?
Why will I be mad at you? Are you not my friend's wife? I'm okay with you. But
the food is ready.
I'm going out. When I come back, I'll eat. Don't worry yourself.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'll come back.
Okay, no wahala. Boy, please open the gate.
I'm telling you, I'm not a stupid man. I'll open the gate, but tell him.
No problem. Dikeh, come back, oh. I'm expecting you.
Sis, what's really going on? I don't seem to understand. This minute you are mad at him. Other time you're smiling, laughing. What's going on?
You see, in this life, it is good to know how to pretend you like someone when you actually hate them. Dikeh is an idiot. I don't like the guy. Don't worry, when he comes back, he will eat to his death. He has not seen anything. Let's go inside, Jerry.
See, even when a lot of people told me things about her, that she's a bad person, I didn't listen to them.
I took her like a sister. My anger is that she did not make any effort towards what I was going through when my dad disowned me. And I warned her I don't like the art of lesbianism.
Me that was doing it, was I doing it with my whole mind? No, Mama. In a situation where you don't have a mother, you don't have a father, you don't have a brother, you don't have a sister. Mama, it's frustration.
I understand. I understand it very well. Let us let peace reign. Oh, let's forget. I love the two of you very much. Nobody is going anywhere. Oh,
it's okay, my co-wife. My co-wife. What?
This is the guy.
Hello.
Hello. Let's see him.
Yeah.
Onyema is not here.
Onyema is not here?
No.
Ha.
Please, I beg you, don't arrest my children, Biko. I beg you.
Arrest who? I'm not here to arrest anybody. Why are they running? I saw them running out here. I'm not here to arrest anybody. I have good news for you now, for
Onyema! Good news.
Come on, I know you. Just run. You self two of you and I saw that day. What? You don't continue. Come, bro. Come on. Come on. I have good news for you. Come, no fear.
Are you serious? You know, that Madam Lucy is up to something, and I cannot place my hands around it. Oga Komisha, I can't wait for him to call me back to work.
Yes, so Oga Chike called me that I will be back to work this by the end of this week. So I just dey hope, say maybe before we go end, they go call me back. Now my money don't finish. As I there, so you know, see say, who don't enter here. So now every the thing, no understand.
You know, I don't know why a lady like that is using her own hands to scatter her marriage. Marriage that is supposed to be enjoyed, she dey use her hands spoil am. I just wish I was in her shoes, oh, I swear. Yes, nah, why they open like that? Hey.
Shoe where you wear never size you finish. You find person shoe where you go pull leg. Yeah. Meanwhile, Madam be no day like that, oh. Madam, when I come, Madam was very good, oh. Now that's what be her name, Auntie Coco.
Oh.
That old woman we don't old.
Okay.
Yeah? That woman, you don't see the car when that woman they drive. Since when before you came safe, that woman have been using that car. That car be like waiting person where they drive, person where they enjoy. Now so far they drive that car. Don't be laughing matter. Because now that woman can't go deceive Madam. And it be like say the woman self can't they get eye for where Ogadi. Because I've been here Oga Chike and Ogadi discuss about them. I know talk. I know to me not go. You know say you sabi talk well.
I hear him. I heard it also. But why are some women so desperate to get married? My anger is on that Lucy. She not use her head now until she can't lose good man like Oga. Now her eye go fall up well. How can she be doing all sorts of things now? They do like say she no get sense. Oh.
Madam sense. Now you get sense. No be all the girls they do. All the girls and everybody want do kilometers. No what they want put eye down. Yeah? But you no concern me. No concern me. If Oga pursue am, Oga go marry another person. My work na gate today. My own be say call me back. They pay me salary. I go the open gate. They lock am. Who Oga marry? You no concern me.
If you marry somebody like me now,
Come.
why they watch me like that?
Come. Be like say this
No,
our.
no, see me
our
now.
gossip
I'm not supposed to be madam for that house.
So I say, let me come and tell you how far. I've been calling your number, switched off, not reachable, network problem. I went to your house in the city, nobody is there. So I remember vividly that you told me that you come from this community. So I asked around and found my way here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
No shaking.
Thank God. So does that mean I'm a free person?
Yes, you are free.
Totally, you are free. We rushed the man to FMC hospital and they attended to him.
He survived it?
Yes, now.
Wow.
Which means my son is no longer a murderer.
No.
Wow, this is a good news. Seriously, Mama. My husband and I wants to host a party just to celebrate this.
Really?
But Onyema is now a free person.
Yes.
So this calls for celebration.
Celebration of freedom.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And not just that. I think I'll call my daddy and I'll talk to him about Badonyema and Rita.
Wow.
Yes. And they will be employed in one of our companies. Once I make the call, just forget it.
Thank you.
You're joking.
Thank you
You're
so
joking.
much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rose. Thank you.
You know, I did not tell you people. Ijem na township. Yes. Ijem na township. My journey in the township. Mama, I saw one. I hear one in the city before I meet my wife.
So you're welcome. Thank you. Yeah. So I hope tomorrow's deal is ready.
Of course. Yes, our clients have the document now, so we are good to go.
Okay. I hope they are genuine. You see, my company, we don't buy any property that does not have a C of O. So, because we don't like court cases. So if we find out in any way that is fake, we will sue you to court.
Hey, madam, come on. You don't have to say that, all right? We are genuine business people.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. And we have been into company and allied business for a long time now.
A very long time.
Listen to me, madam. All you have to do is to get your money available and ready and all intact. Oh, yeah. And once you provide this money, because we don't accept cash, but rather transfer. Once you make the transfer and we confirm your money and we'll provide the document available for you, and that's it.
That's not a problem. Money is not a problem, so
we have a deal.
Very well. It will be nice doing business with you.
Definitely.
So you care for something to drink?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, really? You're very sure? Very well, then we'll walk you to the door.
Sure.
Tomorrow. Thank you so much. You're welcome. We'll see you.
Hey, are you serious?
I'm telling you the truth. When I saw her after talking to your husband, there's this sign that she gave. Looks suspicious. She's hiding something from you and Coco. Yeah.
Ijoma. Hey, my goodness. It be like say that girl one day homeless, so I think she wants to leave this house. So she's going to leave this house today.
No, don't act fast. If you let her go, you won't have any evidence. I want you to catch her red-handed. Give her some time. Watch her. The most important thing is that I don't trust her. Even me myself, I don't even trust her.
Ijoma, that I'm trying to help her life. I'm trying to pick her up from scrap and turn her into a proper book. Hey! You see, that is why I wanted you around. So that you can be my eyes, my ears, and even my nose. So now, if you did not sniff her out, that's how I'll be walking freely, thinking I'm walking with somebody that has sense. Meanwhile, she's senseless. But it's alright. It's alright. Coco must hear of this. I will tell Coco. I'm coming.
Did go.
As planned. They said the lady already has the documents.
Correct. My guy was right.
Yeah, so we'll be going there tomorrow to make payments. What exactly is going on?
Don't worry yourself, okay? You've already done your part. Tomorrow you will know. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. So I'll see you tomorrow then.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Hello. My guy. You are generous. Yes, everything went as planned. Yeah. Yes. She just left now. Alright.
Show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. If a company corrupt good ones, my kind of give the document.
Why are you driving like that? Do you want to kill me? What happened?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? How dare you? How dare you, Ijoma?
Why are you hitting me now? What did I do?
Do you want to spoil things for me? Do you want to ruin my plans? Do you know how much effort I put into this?
What are you talking about? What did I do?
Do you even realize this is my only chance of leaving this country? I thought I told you everything before we started this.
I still don't know what you're talking about. What did I do wrong?
Ijoma.
Sister.
What did you discuss with Fred?
Nothing. He was asking me how I and Lucy knew ourselves and how I got the job. And I lied to him. That was it. Nothing.
You looked me in the eyes and lied to me. Now listen up. If my tomorrow's plan fails, I'll kill you. And before I do that, I'll call your mother and let her know everything. Of course you know what I can do. Just mark my word on this. I warned you! I explained everything to you before you started this journey with me. Don't dare me, Ijoma. Don't dare me! Forget the fact that you're my sister.
Don't overtrust human being. They can betray you anytime. Ooh, don't overtrust. Samaga Borogi. Overtrust can kill. Papa Borogi. Don't overtrust. Don't overtrust. Overtrust. Wasting the more than a don't overtrust. Go for that fun. Overtrust. No matter what, go for that too.
I would have helped you. You know, there's just one broom. Okay. Just one broom.
I understand.
You need to buy more
I know.
Ah, you people are sweeping.
Where are you off to this early morning?
We are going to check our old lands at those old places so that we'll secure them. Because we heard people are tampering with them. So that we can secure them.
It's very important.
Don't worry, by the time you come back, your food will be ready.
I beg, that one is very important. Very, very important.
He likes food very much.
Yes, sir. I don't play with the food.
No push your
continue. Be careful, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. My husband likes ofe nsala a lot.
Do you want me to prepare? Do you want to prepare?
Prepare it.
Okay. Okay. Continue with the secret. I'll just go and prepare, okay?
Alright. Rita. Salt.
Mama is here.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. How was your night, Mama?
Fine. I'm so happy.
Thank you, Mama.
So happy.
Yeah, I was trying to tidy up the whole compound.
Yes, your daddy taught you how to sweep.
Oh, Mama. Yes, he did.
Well done, oh.
Thank you, Mama.
All I want from you is just love. Just love. Love me back. Baby. All I want from you.
So, how long are you staying?
I don't know for now. But the doctor said something about staying for like a week, so he will monitor the retina very well. I'm not the next plan.
Oh, okay. That's fine. And baby, you don't need to stress yourself, okay? Don't even bother coming back. And I'll always come and see you. Alright? And I'm so happy that Chike is here to take care of you. Alright? Do take care of yourself, okay? I'll come and see you every day. I promise.
You need to.
Right.
Be good, okay?
Sure. Down, baby. Down.
This thing you're doing to him because he cannot see you. And make you go be man. It just bites the finger that fed you. You call him a fool. You look down on him, play your games under his nose. You call him a fool. You look down on him, play your games under his nose. You look down on him, under his nose. You call him a fool. Play your games under his nose. Bad friends, bad wife, bad company, bad friends.
Hello? Yes, so he just left. Yes, you can come now. And don't forget to come with her. Very important. Alright, see ya. Bye.
Sis, I want to talk to you. The call, is it really necessary?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
What I'm saying is, Fred is a nice guy. He's good to you. He's also good to me. He pays my bills. This thing you are doing with Coco, do you think it's a good idea?
Ah, here we go again. Fred is a nice guy. Yippee, yappa. Hey, I know. I'm aware he's a nice guy, okay? But here's the thing, bro. We cannot get the kind of money we will get out of this deal if we don't do this. Do you understand? Don't you want to be a big boy? Don't you want to be balling? I'm in a baller now. Use your head. See, I like Fred, don't get me wrong, okay? But I don't love him. I have a guy that I like, and once this deal pulls through, we're just going to travel somewhere and have fun, okay? Come on, use your head now. Use your head. No one to ball. I'm expecting somebody, right? Mama, Rose! Mama, what is it? Mama, Rose!
What is it?
Go.
Mama, what happened to her?
I don't know.
Mama,
I don't know.
Rita, what did you do to her? Mama.
What is it? What you asking me what I do to Mama? I saw Mama like this. What would you think I did to Mama now? Go. Mama, don't do this. Mama, don't do this now. Mama,
please don't do this.
Hey, Chimo.
Please.
Mama.
What are we supposed to do? I don't know. Okay, let me get my phone out. Call my husband.
No. Go. Let's take her in first before we call her husband. Go.
Mama, please.
Yeah. Mama, don't do this now. Mama, please.
Mama, please. Mama, please, no.
I don't care. Send her out. Send her out of that house, okay? I'm coming now. Yes, I'm coming with the lady. Just wait for me.
God. What did she say?
Ijoma. She's about to send Ijoma out of the house. Yes, she has been compromised. You know how she loves cute guys. She went there to fool herself. She has messed up. Oh my God. Have you packed?
Of course, I'm done packing. Listen, I'll just sit here and wait for you, alright? Once you call me, I will start coming out. We have to run out of town because Lucy already told me that once the money drops in her account, I will leave town with her. And I wouldn't want that. Oh yeah.
That girl thinks she's smart. I'll tell her I'm smarter. Wait for my call.
Okay.
Okay? I have to go.
Mugus, you wait for me because I'm coming right away too.
You must leave my house. Get out. Come and leave my house now. Take her out. I stupid girl. Get out. Lucy. Get out. Lucy. Okay, no problem. Give me my money. Give me my money. Which money? Did I not do my part? Which money, Joma? You are not getting a dime from me.
Did I not do my part?
I heard so. Did I not do? You did your part by trying to sleep with my husband.
Okay, for your mind now you won't scam me. You want to do me 419? No worry, go play, go show for your eye. You think my sister is your friend, Abi? You think my sister is your friend?
Yes.
No wahala. No wahala, I go clear you land at DSTV, no worry. No problem.
Joma, let me tell you something, nothing will happen. Do you hear me? Nothing will happen. The buyers are already here, my darling. The deal has been done, okay? The deal has been signed and sealed. There's nothing. Go and meet friends.
He go be like.
Go and meet that blind man and marry him.
See, if I enter you, if I slap me, if I slap me,
Carry this guy, come up from
I don't
face.
go anywhere. If I enter you, you get mad. You get crazy.
Before you they told me, carry this guy for your head. Carry her for your head. Carry her for your head. Come up from here. Lucy, come on inside.
What happened to Mama?
Honey, we don't know. I came out, I saw her like this. We tried to carry her, but we couldn't.
Eh? We have to take her to hospital. Let's go.
Yes, please. Let's
Mama.
go.
Mama. Yes.
Hey!
Mama.
Mama, no.
Hey! I'm so happy. Look at you.
Choke is too expensive.
Look at you. The two of you are not fair. You pay. Ngwa. Oh, your wife. Denard. Oh, yeah. Ngwa. You two. Oh, your wife. Oh, chim. I'm so happy. Very happy. Hey! Hello. Hey. So, Mama, I think
Mama, so you didn't die?
to Fiakwa, die where? Where am I dying to? 200 years is how I will live. Die where? This one is looking for inheritance. No inheritance. No inheritance for you. Because I'm going to stay alive. I'm not going anywhere. Hey, I'm happy now. Bernard, it's enough. It's enough, Bernard. Your own is always too much.
We're actually expecting our first baby.
Yes, Mama, we also expecting.
Hey! True. Are you? She told her daddy.
I told my daddy.
And you have told who?
Mommy.
So happy. Mama, before you fall inside. Come out.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's be sure that you will not fall inside. No, I will not fall. I'm going. Yes. Hey.
What's keeping them now?
Don't worry, they'll be here soon.
You're wasting time.
They'll be here soon. Boy, go and pack your things now. We're leaving very soon, no?
That's not a problem. I can always get my stuff ready.
That's not a problem. It's not when they're here now you start rushing, no. I'll not wait for you.
Just come already.
Oh, madam.
Hi. You're welcome.
Welcome.
Yes.
So, would you like to sit?
Nah, don't worry.
Just go ahead.
Chike, where's my husband? Oh, honey, you're back. Did you forget something?
No. You see, in this life, sometimes it's not good to let the poor breathe. Because when you do it to them, sometimes they will end up hurting you instead. The thing is, it's so disheartening that you are from that family that feeds from hand to mouth. I didn't mind that because the love I have for you or had for you was actually leading me on. I was so nice to you. I was so kind to you. I did everything a loving husband will do for a wife. I did everything, including your family, extended family, name it. Once anyone is related to you, I will make sure that person is fine. But what did you do to pay me back? You connived with this lady, the lady on red. Kill me.
You can see us.
I was never blind. I was never blind. And I can't be blind, of course. I saw everything. How you guys were making fun of me, how you guys were abusing me, your plans, everything. I am aware of it. Okay? Now, Coco, I've been thinking why you are planning all of this evil. I still don't understand because everything you did for me, I paid you back. I gave you the sum of 10 million naira for everything you did for me. Why are you planning to kill me? Why are you planning to take my property? You guys are planning to sell my house?
Really?
Oh yes, really.
Fred, I sheltered you. Fred, I helped you. Okay. I made you who you are today. Okay. And the worst of it all is that I did so many abortions for you. How did you pay me back?
Coco, I am not disputing the fact that you helped. Of course, I just said it. So taking my life is the best?
No regret.
No regret.
You heard me.
Interesting. No regrets. Okay.
Officers!
If you must know, what you have there is a fake document. Of course, I'm not daft to leave the real documents just like that. Okay? Yes, officers!
Yes, sir.
Arrest them, including you. My friend, go there so they will know how many people are arrested.
Fred.
Go there, don't fret me.
Fred, but you said you were going to marry me now.
I will go kill you there, okay? My friend, go there so they will know how many people they are arrested.
Honey, he promised you marriage.
Want to kill me?
Honey, I'm not.
Listen to me.
You all are under arrest for the offense of attempted fraud and criminal conspiracy. I'm still talking. I advise you all to remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, sir, move them.
See, move them. Move. The three of them.
I said move.
Just came
Move them.
No, honey.
I said move.
Ungrateful people see their life. Cheaters and liars everywhere. You call him a fool, you look down on him, play your games under his nose. You call him a fool, you look down on him.
What is keeping them now? Let it not be that Coco and Lucy has run away with the money. Hold on a bit. Is it not just to sell a house and come back? No, this is not happening. Probably I need to go there and see things for myself. I think that's what I have to do.
If I not no one, nebu kwebu. If I jarugeme, check it off now. Remember, God is watching you. This your evil mindset will lead you to destruction. Some mindset of people of this world can lead to hell. Some mindset of people of this world can lead to hell. They're gonna lead you to hellfire. When you follow them, when you follow, when you follow them, remember hellfire is surrender. When you follow them, follow, when you follow them, they're gonna lead you to a congo. When you follow them, follow, when you follow them, don't overtrust human being. They can betray you anytime. Don't overtrust. Somebody overtrust. Papa Borogi. Don't overtrust. Don't overtrust. And when sin and walk and go, don't overtrust. Look over that far. Overtrust. No matter what, go on and do. Show me your friends, I will tell you